Very good evening, all my dear students. How is everyone? Welcome back again to your Unacademy NEET English channel. This is your HSP Baba, and today we are going to deal with the most interesting, most dangerous, most scoring chapter. That is your free radical substitution reaction. As you can see, free radical substitution reaction. And what it is indicating, if you see the atmosphere, if you see the things given over here, they speak, yes, they speak a lot. Sometimes silence speaks better than the words that lies in the science. Kids, just try to recall, just try to put some weight force on your brain. That brain can let you know that what is hidden in this scene. The science is speaking, the science is telling you a lot, kids. Then only I'm going to tell you. See, three pictures I'm going to show. Just try to recall. Picture number one, you just try to recall, because in the examination, no one is going to tell you that you are supposed to do free radical substitution reaction. Just try to understand. One picture. Have you seen? Have you seen? Okay, first of all, let me know that everyone, am I audible and visible perfectly? I can see Sangeeta Govind Swami. Good evening, sir. I have doubt about this lecture, free radical substitution. I will let you know each and everything. Shiv Kumar, good evening, very good evening. AK Bala is there, Jyoti is there. Kids, it is going to be really fabulous chapter because it holds a hell lot of weightage. Kids, let me tell you, really, this is going to be mind-blowing. Now, first picture was this. You have seen. I will show you three pictures. You have to see what the Banda, your HSP Baba is trying to tell you, because these three pictures, they are going to help you a lot. Really, they are going to help you a lot. So, one picture this, second picture this. Now, third picture is this. Now, just try to visualize, because these are going to help you and these are going to, okay, let me move aside. Just try to understand these three pictures. They are telling you a lot. I have really done a hard work so that you can understand each and everything. Now see, kids, I've shown you all the three pictures. All the three pictures are in your front, right? Now, kids, do let me know in the chat section. Vanakkam eke wala mas, vanakkam, vanakkam. Kids, this free radical substitution reaction, this is of class 11th hydrocarbon. Alkanes do not show any reaction. Only the alkanes are going to show, yes, your free radical substitution reaction. But before moving ahead, let me tell you, this is your HSP Baba magical chemistry group. You always saying that, really, sir, you are magical chemistry group. So I did my MTech in 2004, and before that I did GRF and GATE. And in 1999, I was, yes, gold medalist in chemistry. For the last 23 plus years, I have been teaching, produced number of rank, top 10 rank, along with the mass selection. Kids, the intelligent students, they are going to get ranked by themselves. I have no role in that. But if the student is feeling that they are standing nowhere, and if I am giving knowledge to those students, they are going to get the best rank, then yes, this positive catalyst is going to play a role. It's agreed or not? Agreed. Hi, Buddha Surya. I'm your mentor daddy. Yeah, definitely. Now see. Oh my God. Thank you, Srinath. Thank you. Now see. If you're new, anyone, if you're new to this channel, then subscribe it. And if you have not, smash the like buttons. Everyone, kids, it's a humble request of your Baba. Smash the like buttons, everyone. Now see. Yeah, you are one of them, Dasri Ramkant. Yes, definitely. Now see, kids, This is indicating sunlight. This is indicating sunlight. And now in this picture, you can see sunlight and fire both. Now it's visible over here, each and everything. See kids, this picture you have to keep in your brain for always, whether sunlight is mentioned over there in the examination. See kids, in the examination, if you see sunlight, sunlight, that sunlight can be given in number of forms. What are the number of forms? See kids, these are number of forms. It can be given as H nu, it can be given as UV rays, or it can be given as diffuse sunlight, diffused sunlight. Anything is given like this, you have to do this reaction. Now this fire is indicating that temperature, high temperature. You can see this is not a very less temperature, it is really very high temperature. Now how much temperature? See kids, the trick is for the temperature, trick is TFC, TFC. What does it mean, TFC? This TFC means T300, F500, and C for degree Celsius. This is a main confusion whenever you are going to deal with such type of reaction, whether it was Kelvin or it was degree Celsius. So kids, it's the point to be keep in your brain that it is degree Celsius. Just a second. Degree Celsius means a lot. Degree Celsius means a lot. Yes, degree Celsius means a lot. Okay. Are you getting my point? So what's the difference between normal? Diffused means you have seen the bulbs. One bulb directly it is giving you sunlight, one bulb. And second, if you put something, just like you must have seen on Christmas Day, that bulbs, they are not naked, the light is coming through something. That is diffuse sunlight, kids, diffuse sunlight. Are you getting my point? Suppose if I say, if something light is covered, limited quantity of light is coming, that is diffuse sunlight. Akanksha, good evening. Salet, hi, good evening. Now see kids, trick is TFC, 300 to 500 degrees Celsius. This is known as photochemical reaction, and this is known as thermally. What? Thermally, kids. Thermally, and this is known as photochemically. So what type of reaction is going on, either photochemically or thermally, kids? You have to remember, you have to keep it in your brain that it is indication of free radical substitution reaction. So kids, whenever you are going to deal with, suppose if I give you Cl2, now this Cl and this Cl, electronegativity difference is 0. Electronegativity difference is what? Difference is 0. Now neither this chlorine is saying I want electron, nor that chlorine is saying I want electron. Both chlorines have mutual understanding, and the electrons, two electrons, are just properly shared. Now kids, if you supply sun rays, ding 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 ding, light travels in a straight line in the form of photons, quanta associated with definite amount of energy. And yes, of photons in case of sunlight, they are having definite amount of energy. Suppose the energy is less than required to break this bond, it won't be able to. So energy should be equal to or more than whatever is the bond energy of this bond. It's whatever is the bond energy in between, bond energy in between two atoms, the energy falling should be equal to or greater than, then only the bond is going to break. Now, it will break this bond, Zuma. How the bond is going to break? See kids, the bond will break like this. One electron, this chlorine will take, one electron, this chlorine will take. These arrows are known as fish hook arrows. These arrows will be known as fish hook arrows, kids. Fish hook arrow, fish hook arrow, and this process of breaking bond is known as homolysis. Homolysis, and in this way you will get two chlorine free radicals. Free radicals will be generated. Free radicals. Now see kids, let me start the reaction from the very beginning. This is just the starting of the reaction, how the reaction takes place. I will start from the mechanism, but before starting this mechanism, this was the first step of the mechanism, that is known as chain initiation. But I'm not going to write down at the particular time chain propagation and termination. That I will write later on. So this is just chain initiation. But before this, the movie will move around of this step. See kids, everyone see to it. Suppose if I say, this is really very, very important. This is India. This is India. And here is America. India and America. 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 Okay. That side India, this side America. And compound is CH2 double bond CH3 Br2. In India, it's daytime. So sun is there, sun rays are there. That means I can say H nu is there, right? I can talk like this. And in America, the same compound CH3 CH double bond CH2 Br2 here, Br2 there. But here is dark, nighttime. So you can say dark. Kids, my question is, this is propene, that is propene, both are being propene. One is in India, one is in America. Means I want to say one side light is there, one side dark is there. Which reaction will take place and which will not take place? This is the way, in this way you have to study, then only you are going to understand. Aspiring medico, Willie, Shiv Kumar, Salet, you do let me know which country the reaction will take place, America or India. Propene and bromine, what bromine, both sides it's given, just to let me know. Apply your brain. This side Jyoti, day, and this side night, day and night. This side day, this side night, this side dark, that side H nu. Everyone, Ashwin Krishna is saying India, Jyoti is saying day. Kids, rest of others, you have to participate in this question, otherwise you won't be able to understand. This is your time, you have to show your participation. Jyoti is saying in both, but day is stronger. Now see kids, answer is here also the reaction will take place, here also the reaction will take place. At both the places reaction will take place, but in this compound this bromine will attack over here and the compound will be CH2 double bond CH2Br. This will be the major product, and this reaction has taken place through free radical substitution reaction. But in this place the attack will be on double bond and compound will be CH3 CHBr CH2Br, and this reaction is electrophilic addition reaction. It has followed ionic mechanism. ionic mechanism, and that has followed free radical mechanism. Radical mechanism. Radical. What type of radical? Free radical. Free radical mechanism. This is the difference. In this way, you have to do the comparative study, otherwise you won't be able to get the full marks. This is the way, kids. Got it? This is free radical substitution and this is the addition reaction. Addition reaction in dark, it follows ionic mechanism. In sunlight, it follows free radical mechanism. This is the comparative study. Why in the starting only I have started with this example, so that you can understand, you can start applying your brain. Just cramming organic chemistry doesn't mean anything. You have to. Yeah, kids, my notes are more than sufficient. You can see the board. Buddha Surya. Loving all. Yes, kids, this is the way. Now see, I'm going to start. Now, everyone see, if I say there is methane, CH4, and fluorine is there. If I say once dark, fluorine is in dark, once diffuse sunlight, if I say diffuse sunlight, and if I say sunlight, and if I say 12 noon, you know, at 12 noon, the sunlight is too much. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. In which reaction will not take place? First question, in which reaction is not going to take place? And if you know, then what should be the products? You will say, what should I say? What should I say? Kids, let me tell you, in all four, you will get same thing, that is carbon black. Carbon black. Have you ever tried to make tea? If you try to make tea, whatever the thing you are going to put on the gas, and if you forget, by chance, if you forgot for 2 hours, for 2 hours continuously it is getting supply of it, then you will not get anything. Everything should get burnt and you will get carbon black. Are you able to understand what is carbon black? Dark coke. Yes. So this happened because fluorine is too much reactive. Fluorine's reactivity is too much. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine is very, very less reactive, kids. So I too used to say F means father. F means father. In Maharashtra, I means mother. Maharashtra, I means mother. Whenever in my time, let me tell you, I am not telling just the present scenario. In my time, we were going along with father. Never we were going with father for the shopping. Just father was saying, take it this, buy it, purchase it, do, and let's move. Just do the shopping just within 30 minutes. Sometimes father was explosive, can't be controlled. And we never used to go along with mother also. In my time, mother was very slow. She was going to 10 shops, but not going to purchase anything. Was saying, oh, we will come tomorrow and then we will buy it, purchase it. Kids. So if I talk about free radical substitution reaction, so neither fluorine nor iodine is used because this is explosive. So can't be controlled easily. Kids, whatever I have told you, I told you in my days. What happened in my days, I'm not telling you now. Parents, whether I talk about father or talk about mother, they all are very good, very cooperative. I will let you know. Buddha Surya, I will let you know. Now this is too fast and this is too slow. Too slow. So you see, it has done carbon black. Now see kids, if I do the same reaction on methane with chlorine, Cl2. Now see, just try to understand. One chlorine is trying to react in dark, one sunlight, and one 12 noon. This is the question which has been asked number of times in your NEET examination. This is really fantastic question, very, very important question. Now see, chlorine is not that much reactive, so no reaction. Here, 12 noon, carbon black, and now in this case, what do you think? Sunlight, what do you think? According to you, what should be the product? It's 4 types of products can be formed. 4 types of products. 4 type of products can be formed. What are they? They are methyl chloride, methylene chloride, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride. This compound's name is very, very important. It can be called as methylidene chloride, or you can say methylene chloride. It has got 2 names, methylene chloride, methylidene or methylene chloride. It has got 2 names. So 4 types of products. I hope that everyone is able to understand. Kids, always remember that you have to write down in the chat section whether you are able to understand or not. Whatever the questions, whatever the things are there, then only you are going to get ranked. Now, brilliant question I am going to tell you. Once the question was asked like this, find out number of monochlorinated products in the following. One option was given as methane, one was given as C2H6, one was given as C3H8, one was given as C4H10, and one was given as C5H12. Now, you are supposed to find out the answers in each case. Now, Priyanka, welcome. Jyoti, I'm waiting for everyone's answer because this is $1 million question and we have to follow it. We have to answer it. And let's see who is going to get the correct answer. Now, one by one, I'm going to tell you all the answers. A, B, C, D, E. I will explain all, but you just think like I'm your brother, your Anna. And those who are thinking that chemistry, organic chemistry, pidikya radu customer, it's romba sulbham. If you're thinking that organic chemistry is tough, no, not at all. When HSP Baba is there, it will become easy. But you have just to think with your brain. Whatever I'm going to write, you just think your Anna is going to write over there, but you are thinking. You have to think with your brain. Are you ready? Everyone, if you're ready, show me the thumbs up. If you're ready, then show me the thumbs up. Then only I'm going to start. I have to feel like bonded with you. You should have to apply your brain. Otherwise, it's not going to be helpful for you kids. If you're just sitting idle, you won't be able to get the good marks, best rank. You have to, if you want to feel confident, that you have to visualize with your brain and just think your Anna is writing over here. Now see, if I talk about methane, that is A, CH4, and I'm going to react with chlorine. Just remove one hydrogen. Any hydrogen, if you remove, you will get methyl chloride. Only one. only one type of product, monochlorinated. Examiner has asked monochlorinated. See, point to be noted, my lord, what the examiner has asked. Examiner is asking monochlorinated. This is the point to be noted, my lord. Everyone, are you getting? This is the bold line, monochlorinated. You are not supposed to write down all the products. No, Baba, no. Only one type of product you are supposed to write. So that is monochlorinated. So here the answer is 1. 1 is the answer, right? Now B. If I take CH3, you see whether this hydrogen or that hydrogen, whatever the hydrogen you are going to remove, you will get only one type of product, that is CH3, CH2, Cl. So here our answer is 1. In both the two cases, the answer is 1. Okay, now see, if I write CH3, CH2, CH3, now it is having two types of carbons, 1 degree, 1 degree, and 2 degree. If you remove this or that, you will get one type. If you remove this, you will get another type. So see, this and this is being same, but this is being different. So two type of product you are going to get. See, what are they? CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl plus CH3, CH, Cl, CH3. So here answer is 2. Till now, I hope that everyone is able to understand, kids. If yes, show me the thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Till now, if you have thought like this, then thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. If you're not thinking, your selection is too far. If you're not doing hard work, your selection is too far. If those who are really hardworking, yes, their success is waiting, their rank is waiting. Now see, kids. Jyoti, iso compound if number of carbon exceeds 3. Yeah, I will show you that. Yes, yes. Now see the fourth one. Try to see the fourth one. That is D. C4H8. You know this alkane. You have studied in isomerism that C4H8. No, not 8. H10. What I have written? C. C4H10. Yeah. C4H10, 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 it exists in two forms, that is N-butane, N-butane and isobutane. Agreed? Everyone agreed? N-butane and isobutane. How the N-butane will look like? CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Just see to it. Everyone see to it. And isobutane is CH3, CH, CH3 and CH3. Now just focus on the first compound. This hydrogen is same. So one type of product you will get, and these two are being different. So from this compound you will get two types. If you place here chlorine, one type. If you place here chlorine, another type. Should I write down the product, or it is clear to your brain? Is it clear to your brain? So 2. From N-butane we will get 2. Now here, this one is same, and this one is different. So 2 from here. 2 plus 2, how much? Gets 2 plus 2, how much? 4 is the answer. 4 is the answer, right? Everyone clear? 4. Now see the last one. Just try for the last one. Last but not the least, E1. That is C5H12. Now kids, during isomerism we have studied that C5H12 forms 3 types of structural isomers. What are they? What are they? 3 types. N-pentane, isopentane, and neopentane. Neopentane. Am I right? Now, kids, you must have seen some movies when the hero is getting defeat. Again, the hero is defeated. Then his master will say, or her master will say, just think about your base. What base is having strength? Apply that base and you will be the winner. Have you seen such type of movies? So this is the base that C5H12. C5H12 exists in these three forms. If your base is having power, you can do anything. Now see N-pentane, how it will look like. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Now kids, can you see? This one and that one is same. If you place their chlorine, you will get one type of product. Now, if you place here or here, you will get another type. Two types you got. But kids, do remember, in this question, he can give you, if he is just giving, find out the number of products. That means structural as well as stereoisomers. If he is writing excluding stereoisomers, then only structural isomer. That is the point to be noted, my lord. If you place here chlorine, this carbon is chiral, and chiral carbon, see, free radical. Free radical is having above the plane one lobe, below the plane one lobe. So dextro and levo, both you will get. You are not able to understand. Let me tell you. Let me tell you, kids, if you are not able to understand. See, if I write CH3, CH2, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chlorine, no chiral carbon. There is no chiral carbon. Can you see? There is no chiral carbon. So I will say this is 1. I will count it 1, only 1. But if I place chlorine over here, just see CH3, CH2, CH2, CHCl, CH3. This carbon is being chiral carbon. This is chiral carbon, kids. And chiral carbon means I will not say 1. This is dextro and levo. So I will count it 2. Are you getting my point? It's not 1, it's 2. Now, if I place here, this is another one, and that is not chiral. See, CH3, CH2, CHCl, CH2, CH3. So it is only 1. How many? 1, 2, 1. Total 4. 1, 2, 1. Total 4. If he is writing excluding stereoisomer, then we will count 3. If he is not writing anything, or he is writing all type, then 4. From N-butane, we will get 4 types of chlorinated products, kids. Now, let's see isopentane, how many we are going to get. This is being isopentane, kids. Now, if I place chlorine here or here, I will get one type. This is 1 degree. This is 1 degree. This is also 1 degree. But kids, you will say, if this is 1 degree, this is 1 degree, then they will be same. No, kids, they will not be same. The atmosphere is getting changed. See, in adjacent to these two methyl, there is CH, but adjacent of this methyl is CH2, so that is different. This we have to say another one, because if you are going to place chlorine over here, you will get different IUPAC compounds. So 1, 2, and if you place chlorine over here, see kids, if you place chlorine over here, but first of all, let me tell you, if you place chlorine over here, this will become chiral carbon. See, let me show you. Let me show you. Or should I let you know on another page, because it will get congested. So isopentane, let me draw on another page, otherwise you will get confused. See, this is your isopentane, and what I said, if I place chlorine over here, now see, just try to understand. I placed chlorine over here, it has become chiral carbon. The carbon on which chlorine was added has become chiral carbon. But see, in this, The carbon which is chlorine bonded has not become chiral, but adjacent carbon has become chiral. See, try to focus over here, kids. This is really awesome. This carbon has not become chiral, but adjacent carbon has become chiral. So I will count it 2. See, always what we are doing, the carbon on which we are adding chlorine, we are just putting our whole stress focus on that carbon. But see, that carbon has not become chiral, its adjacent carbon has become chiral. Have you seen, have you ever seen like this? Now try to understand another compound. If I place CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2Cl on this carbon, no carbon is being chiral, but this compound is different from that compound. See why? If you write down IUPAC of this compound, 1 2 3 4, you will say 1 chloro 2 methyl. Let me write down 1 chloro 2 methyl butane, right? But if you write down this compound's IUPAC, what will you say? 1 2 3 4. Just try to see. This is 1 chloro 2 methyl, and this is 1 chloro 3 methyl and butane. They are being structural isomers, and this I will count only 1 because no chiral carbon is there. Are you able to understand? These two, although I have placed chlorine on 1 degree carbon, but their IUPAC name is different. So we'll say they are different compound as their IUPAC is different. Now see, kids, if I place chlorine over here, CH3, CH3, Cl, CH2, CH3, this carbon is also not chiral. So I will count it 1 only. I will count it 1 only. Now where I have to place chlorine at this carbon, this one is left, this wing is left. So CH3, CH, CH3, CH, Cl, CH3. Now try to find out, is this carbon chiral? Is this carbon chiral? Yes, definitely this carbon is chlorine, hydrogen, methyl, and this is chiral. So I will count it 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. How many, kids? Just tell me how many compounds you got. So total compounds we have got 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. How many are they? 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. These are structural plus stereo. Structural plus stereo. If anyone is saying excluding stereo, if anyone is asking just structural only, so how many structural? If somebody is asking just structural, kids, do let me know. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. We will say only 4. 4 only structural. If somebody is asking just structural, 4 structural. So any type of question that can come in your examination, so we have to get prepared for each and everything. Now neopentane, see. So kids, let me write down over here. In this case, 1 2 1 4, these were structural plus stereo. Structural plus stereo. If anyone is going to ask only structural, then 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Structural. 4, no, not 4. 1, this is the butane, this will not count it. 1 2 3. 3 structural only. If anyone is asking for N-butane, how many only structural? 3 structural. Structural plus stereo, 4. Now kids, neopentane. This is your neopentane. See, kids, everyone see this structure. This is being neopentane. Now could you please help me that how many types of carbons neopentane is having? Could you please help me how many types of carbon neopentane is having? Neopentane is having 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, and this is 4-degree carbon. This is being 4-degree carbon. So two types of carbons. Two types of carbons. Now, if anyone is asking how many types of hydrogens it is having, gets how many types of hydrogens it is having, then your answer will be it is just having only one type of hydrogen, because this quaternary carbon is not never have, quaternary carbon will never have no hydrogen, means it will never have hydrogen. So only primary hydrogens we are having. So kids, this is the brilliant question. It has been asked number of times. Same question has been asked number of times, kids, let me tell you. So it will give only one type of product, and that product will be CH3, CH2, Cl, CH3, CH3. Only one type of product. Only one type. Now kids, what's your answer? What's your answer? The question was so lengthy. Everyone, you got it now. One from neopentane. This has given you 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And 7 plus 4, 11. 11. So, answer is this compound C5H12 on monochlorination, will produce yes kids, how many? 11 types of products. 11 types of products, and all they including structural plus stereo, kids. Now if they are just asking only structural isomers, then see how many structural isomers. See kids, C5H12, 1, 2, 3, 3 from here, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 is the answer. Can you see? 8 is the answer, everyone. So, if only structural, then 8. Structural only. Then 8 is the answer, 8. Now kids, it has taken too much time. How many of you want a HSP Baba's trick to do it immediately? Do let me know. It has taken too much time, but how many of you want HSP Baba's trick to do it within fraction of seconds? Kids, how many of you want HSP Baba's trick to do it in a fraction of seconds? See kids, your HSP Baba's trick. HSP Baba trick. Always remember that C4H9 and C5H11 four monovalent radicals. 4 2s are 8. 8 monovalent radicals. No need to do anything. No need to do anything in your examination. Just remember this trick. This will form 4 monovalent radical and this will form 8 monovalent radicals. So see how the question can be asked. I am going to give you 2 types of questions. Just enjoy the question and don't take any tension. Let me show you the question. See kids. Question is find out number of structural monobrominated products in. First one is C4H10. What should be answer? What should be answer, kids? Do let me know. What should be answer? The answer will be 4. Second question, C5H12. The answer will be, kids, yes, answer will be 8. Are you getting it? Everyone is able to understand? Now, the same question can be asked like this. See kids, how the same question can be asked. See, the same question can be asked like this. Question is, find out total number of isomers for C4H9Cl excluding stereoisomers. This question has been asked number of times. Find out total number of isomers for C4H9Cl excluding stereoisomers. What should be answer? What should be answer? Definitely the answer will be, kids, yes, I'm waiting for your answer. Now you have to write down the answer, kids. What's your answer? Till that time, let me have a glass of water. Vedha Janani. After a long time, Vedha Janani 3, Shiv Kumar 4. Kids, take care and write down the answer carefully. Carefully write down your answer. Kids, what I have told you. C4H9, just remove this chlorine. Then you will have C4H9. This C4H9 forms how many monovalent radical? It forms 4 monovalent radicals. 4 monovalent radicals. Right, kids? It forms 4 monovalent radicals. So this chlorine can be exist on those 4 positions. So answer will be 4 is the correct answer, kids. Everyone got it or not? Everyone got it or not? No need to draw the structure. No need to think about the structure. Just think whatever the trick I have told you. Now see, kids. Last question. Question is, find out total number of isomers for C5H11Br. Now kids, you must be thinking, sir, is it the class of free radical substitution reaction or it is the class of isomerism? You must be thinking like that. But see, kids, it's just the blend of it. It's just the combination of all these things. Now see, I have told you. Now see, find out total number of isomers for this. You must be thinking, sir, he has not given about a structural or a stereo. Now what we should do, how to do this question, because nothing has been mentioned, kids. If nothing has been mentioned, that means he is asking for both, for structural as well as stereo. Structural plus stereo. Now kids, you know very well, in the examination you will get options. Options are going to help you a lot, kids. That's the Priyanka, Akanksha, Aswin, everyone, your answer is right. Now see how the options are going to help. You should know how to eliminate the options. 2, 4, 8, 11. Now see kids. Now see kids, your answer is 11. Now how to do it? We have to become smart also. Along with your hard work, we have to become smart also. See kids, this C5H11 forms how many monovalent radicals? It forms 8 monovalent radicals. So definitely if I say it's only structural isomers for this C5H11, Br will have structural isomers. Definitely will have 8 structural isomers. Am I right? Am I making any sense, kids? Do let me know if this statement which I have given is right or wrong. Kids, do let me know. It is going to form 8 structural isomers. So stereoisomers must be more than 8. Only one option is more than 8. Only one option more than 8. More than 8. Only one option. Kids, are you able to think like this? Elimination round. Try to understand how to eliminate the options. Everyone got it, kids? Is everyone clear? Now, let me tell you in detail the mechanism of free radical substitution reaction. Everyone ready? Mechanism of FRSR, free radical substitution reaction. For example, they have given this reaction CH3 plus Cl2 H nu. How many types of products will be formed and how this reaction is going to take place? So see, mechanism takes place in 3 steps. Mechanism gets, first of all, everyone make a promise that you are going to be with me up to the last, till the last. I'm not going to take too much time, but you have to make a promise that you are going to be with me till last. Otherwise, half a knowledge is very dangerous thing. You're not going to understand, because right now I'm going to start this reaction. Till now I've told you each and everything. They were basics. No, whatever I'm going to tell you, that is going to improve your rank. You have not to get tired. You should keep your water along with you, some fruits along with you, but you have to be very honest. You should be having perseverance, persistence, permanency. Then only you're going to get the rank. Kids, no. Yeah, Shiv Kumar, that is the talent I need, and that is the determination I need. Very good, Shiv Kumar. Everyone make a promise, everyone, and those who have not smashed the like buttons, kids, Everyone smash the like button. I want to see. And call your friends. I'm going to start the mechanism. Try to share it to maximum. Sharing is caring. When you are helping others, Almighty God is going to help you a lot. And this mechanism holds a hell lot of weightage. Let me tell you, kids, number of questions are going to come from this mechanism. Till now, whatever I've told you, that was the basic. Everyone, you have to call one friend. Right now, 25 are watching. Everyone, if you call one of your close friend, it will become 50. Make promise that everyone is going to call one of your friend. And yeah, kids, I'm not saying call 3 friends. Otherwise, you may call 3 friends at least, but I'm saying just one of your any friend. And if you are going to help that friend, God is going to help you. Let me tell you, kids, it really works. It really works. If you are going to help anyone, God is going to help you. Now see, kids, mechanism takes place in 3 steps. Three main steps. So, step number 1, that is chain initiation. Everyone say chain initiation. Second, chain propagation. Wherever you are, propagation. This takes place in 2 sub-steps. Sub-step A, sub-step B. It has 2 sub-steps. And then chain termination. Now, kids, in the first step, free radicals will be generated, and the last step, free radicals will get consumed. One thing, if you're not having friends, don't worry. You should have at least 1 or 2 friends or your relatives. If no one is your friend, then make your parents to be your friend, your sister, brother to be your friend. Or if you're not having any of like that who is going to be your friend, you just make friendship with yourself. You just start talking to yourself. You put question and you answer it. Good evening, sir. As I am new to this channel, can you please tell me which topics are completed? Right now, I don't have time, but yes, I will let you know in the comment section. You write down over there. Once the video is over, I will help you definitely. But right now, time is not there. So see, in this first step, let me start. Let me tell you, chain initiation, chain propagation, chain termination, IPT. Remember that? IPT. Now let's start. Chain initiation. Everyone see chain initiation. Free radicals are generated. Free radicals are generated. How the free radicals are going to be generated? See, in the starting only I've told you, this is 1 chlorine, this is 1 chlorine, this electron is sharing, this compound is non-polar, so can easily break down. Fish hook arrow, 1 electron it will take, 1 electron it will take, and due to homolytic cleavage, this is known as homolysis, this is going to generate 2 chlorine free radicals. So kids, either sunlight should be given over there, H nu, or UV rays, or you can say if they have given you 450 degrees Celsius temperature, then in both the conditions you are supposed to form free radical. In both the conditions, one is being thermally, one is being photochemically. This is photochemically and this is thermally. free radicals are generated. The reaction has started taking place. Now see kids, chain propag. Now you must be thinking one thing, that see kids, that this was the flask where the reaction was taking place, and in this flask ethane was also present, and ethane is having bonds like this. Why these bonds have not broken? Why these bonds have not broken? Why only chlorine broken down? If the sunlight is falling on this, if the sunlight is falling over here, why these bonds have not broken? These bonds, neither this bond have broken nor this bond have broken, only this bond have broken. Now see kids, here electronegativity difference is there. Once the electronegativity difference is there, this is 2.5 and this is 2.2. The electron is more shifted towards carbon side. This is having delta negative and this is having delta positive. Equal sharing is not there. But yes, here equal sharing is there, but it's carbon-carbon bond due to catenation. Due to catenation. Very, very strong bond. Agreed kids, very, very strong bond. Everyone agreed, and they are having electronegativity difference. That's why they are not, they would like to say, see kids, alkanes are very inert. Alkanes do not show reactions. Alkenes have many reactions. Alkynes have many reactions. Alkyl halide class 12, many reaction. Alcohol, ether, phenol, they have got all reactions. Number of reactions. They are highly reactive because there is polarity of the bond. But alkanes are non-polar. And that's why alkane shows only free radical substitution reaction. This is the point to be noted, my lord. Alkanes are non-polar. Alkanes are non-polar. So least reactive. Only they do undergo what? FRSR, and that for this they either show FRSR thermally or photochemically. So sunlight will fall. This bond is zero electronegativity difference. Zero electronegativity difference. That's why it is going to broken up. I hope that everyone is able to understand why only the chlorine-chlorine bond is going to break. Now kids, see. So chain initiation has started. Now let's focus on chain propagation because this is very important point. Second point, chain propagation. Chain propagation. And this takes place in two sub-steps. Sub-step number 1. Sub-step, that is A sub-step. See kids, very important. It is being ethane. Now chlorine free radical has arrived over here. This chlorine free radical has got two options. Either this chlorine free radical can form bond with hydrogen or with carbon. Two options are there. Two ways are there. See kids. If this is going to form bond with carbon, then it will look like this. It will look like this. And who will get free? Hydrogen free radical will get formed. And the second way, second approach is this chlorine free radical can form bond with this hydrogen. It can form bond with this hydrogen. Then carbon free radical will get formed. You will get compound like this, CH3, CH2 free radical, and this will form HCl. These are the two options, kids. These are the two options. Now, which option it is going to follow? That is the $1 million question. Now let me tell you kids, this bond is weak bond and this bond is strong bond. If you see the data, I'm not saying that data to be remembered, but the data says, experimental data says, this bond is weak bond. This bond is weak bond and this bond is strong bond. Now kids, when chlorine has got both type of bonds, just like you are getting Ames Delhi seat and you are getting BSc seat, which seat you are going to opt? If 100 students are there and they are getting MBBS seat, government seat, they are going to opt for that seat or they are going to opt for BSc? Just to let me know. 99, 98, 96% kids, they are going to follow the rule. But one is exception. See kids, if I say you are getting other medical colleges and you are getting Ames Delhi, then kids will opt to which college? Then 50 students, if they have got Ames Delhi along with other college, definitely if their rank is 720 out of 720, just like this time the rank 1 holder, he has opted for, yes, not, he has not gone for Ames Delhi. You know very well for which seat he has opted. That is the exceptional case. So this is strong bond. That means this path will be followed, feasible path. This path is feasible. And feasible path, I will say activation energy, that EA is low, easy path. And this is non-feasible or unfeasible or not feasible, and not feasible, I will say high activation energy. Activation energy is very, very high. So we will not move on that path. We will go in on this path, and on this path free radical has been formed kids. Free radical. Now I'm saying this is feasible, this is easy. This is easy as compared to this path, our path. Try to understand. Not this, not this, neither of this nor of this. Any one is feasible, so easy. Both are slow, but this is fast as compared to that. This is not fast. This is fast as compared to that. Now see what is the meaning. This carbon is having 8 electrons. 8 electrons. And this carbon is just having 7 electrons. What do you think? This intermediate is more stable or the reactant is more stable? Who is being more stable, kids? Definitely this reactant, or you can say substrate, is more stable. Either you can say substrate or you can say reactant. This is being more stable. More stable, that is less stable. Less stable, that is being more stable. So reaction is moving from stable towards unstable. It is the slowest step, rate determining step. Slowest step, RDS kids. This is the point to be noted, my lord. This is $1 million point. Second point, you have seen in electrophilic substitution reaction also, second point was rate determining step, and here also the second step is rate determining step. And now why I am saying that you have to focus over here. What is the requirement to focus over here? This is going to change the whole plan, the whole rank and the whole selection kits. Let me tell you, we have studied whenever carbocation is formed, think about rearrangement. This thing I've told you or not, kids? Whenever carbocation is formed, think about rearrangement. But whenever free radical is going to form, free radical formation means, kids, free radical formation means think about rearrangement. Free radical formation means think always about rearrangement. So rate of FRSR, free radical substitution reaction, is directly proportional to the stability of free radical. Stability of free radical Now kids, this point is $1,000,000 point. This point is being $1,000,000 point, very, very important. Now, how to find out the stability of free radical? This I have told you in GOC part 1, that free radicals stabilized by allyl benzyl, these free radicals are stabilized by resonance, these free radicals, then 3 degree, then 2 degree, then 1 degree, and whenever resonance takes place, degree does not work. Remember that whenever resonance takes place, degree does not work. Degree doesn't work. Why degree doesn't work? See kids, this is 3 degree, then 2 degree, then 1 degree. This is the stability order. This is being the stability order. What I am trying to say, because this is the important point to be noted, my lord. Let me tell you, this is all about stability of free radical. Now see kids, everyone try to understand what I am going to tell you. Let me separate it, otherwise it will get mixed and you won't be able to understand. This is for this and it's being separate. Now see kids, this arrow is for the stability of free radical. Now try to understand why the degree will not work. Just try to understand. If I say this is allyl CH2 double bond CH2 free radical, this is 1 degree, because the free radical on carbon, this carbon is just attached to one carbon only. So this is allyl free radical, and the degree of this carbon is 1 degree, right? If I write CH3, C free radical, CH3, this is 3 degree free radical, tertiary butyl free radical, 3 degree free radical kids. It's being 3 degree, but then also this allyl is more stable than that. Let me write down, this is the stability order. What's the reason? Kids, what's the reason? How I have given the answer? So answer I have given on the basis of that this is stabilized by resonance and that is stabilized by hyperconjugation. And whenever you are applying free radical stability, resonance is more dominating effect than this. Are you getting my point? SBR Jyoti, SBR means stabilized by resonance. SBR full form is stabilized by resonance. Stabilized by resonance. Okay. SBH means stabilized by hyperconjugation. And SBI means stabilized by inductive effect. I hope that kids you are able to understand, everyone. Now question arises, if we have 3 types of resonance stabilized benzyl, then what we will do? See kids, if you have got 3 types, suppose if I say this free radical is 2 degree benzyl, this is 2 degree benzyl. How will you say this is 2 degree benzyl? Just see, this carbon is attached with 2 carbons, so this is benzyl, but secondary benzyl, 2 degrees. Secondary means 2 degree benzyl. So this will be more stable than primary benzyl. This is your primary benzyl, simply known as benzyl. This carbon is attached only with 1 carbon, so this is 1 degree benzyl. So both are being resonance stabilized, that also resonance stabilized, this also resonance stabilized. So this is being the stability order. And both are being stabilized by resonance, so there is no problem. This is stabilized by resonance, that is also being stabilized by resonance. So whenever both are being stabilized by resonance, then degree was. And thank you, kids, everyone, thanks, you are really deserve appreciating words. You have done a stupendous performance and I believe on you. It's really, you are really genuine students. I would like to say really I have become fan of you. You have proved what we were supposed to do. Now see, kids, really. And those who are new, kids, this is your HSP Baba and you have seen how much hard work I am doing. And I need your support, kids. I am trying my level best to give you the best. I have given 20 years or 19 years to my offline coaching, and now I decided to give this education for free from this Unacademy channel. And I'm thanking a lot to Unacademy channel through this platform that I have got this opportunity. I don't want any boundaries. I want to help each and everyone, but I need support from your side so that you can make this education free to the required students, all the required needy students from wherever they are going to belong. They should get this knowledge. Everyone, it's your moral duty to share it. Kids, you have to share it, right? And you have to help others. God is there, He is going to help you. Don't think like that. If I'm going to tell others, then there is too much fight. Kids, already too much fight is there, whether you are going to share it or you're not going to share it. So do one kind thing, that share it. God is there to see for that. Now see, kids. Now, everyone. In the carbocation formation, I have told you whenever carbocation is formed, think about rearrangement. That was SN1 reaction. But whenever free radical is formed, whenever free radical is formed, think about, just do let me know, think about rearrangement or not. Think about, kids, in free radical rearrangement does not take place. Let me tell you, in free radical rearrangement does not take place. Rearrangement does not take place. Then what to think? Rearrangement does not take place. Rearrangement takes place only in carbocations. That may take place. Then think about what? Think about what, kids? Think about resonance. Resonance can take place. Think about always resonance. Don't form product without thinking about resonance. Always think about resonance. When I thought about FRSR, then I have to think about resonance. Whenever FRSR taking place, always think about resonance. Without resonance, don't form the product. Whenever I'm going to deal with FRSR, always I have to think about resonance. Without resonance, I will not do the reaction. I will always think about resonance. Yes, Buddha Surya, you are absolutely correct. Every topic, I will not leave even a single topic. And from this platform, whether it is physics, chemistry, bio, no one is going to leave even a single, whether that topic is holding a too much weightage or very less weightage. For us, one question means a lot. We are not going to leave even a single topic, kids. Hemja Drawing Academy. We are here to give you each and everything. We are teaching for the first rank. Now see kids, always this is very, very important point. Very, very important point. Very, very important point. Now kids, I've told you about chain propagation, first step. Now chain propagations, step number 2. Chain propagations, point number 2. Sub step B. Sub step B. That is, you got the free radical, and in this free radical you thought about resonance, but no resonance. Resonance cannot take place. Just like whenever there is any function in your home, whom you are going to give the first bite, always you give first bite to the God, whether God is going to eat or God is not going to eat. So always think about resonance. Although in this compound no resonance is there, so this compound will break chlorine. First the chlorine was broken by sunlight. Now this chlorine will be broken by this free radical. Free radical will form always free radical. Free radical will always be responsible to form free radical. So free radical mechanism will take place. So one of the main product will get formed over here only. You will get CH3, CH2, Cl plus chlorine free radical. So remember that this is written in your NCERT, one of the main product where it is going to form. In termination, definitely it will get formed, but firstly it gets formed in chain propagation, one of the main product. One of the main product. One of the main product has been formed over here only. Now let's see termination. Why termination step is important? Just see to it. Termination. Number of things will happen in this chain termination step. Third step, chain termination. In chain termination, free radicals, most of the free radicals are consumed. Most of the free radicals gets consumed. Now kids, I move toward this. Let me tell you, chemistry mind map was purchased by most of the students, and by seeing that response, before there was hike in the fees, now the same memory chart is available for how much? For how much it is available? 4,000. Earlier, before 19, it was available for 1,999. And let me tell you, last year topper, she bought it for 18,000. There will be continuous hike in the fees. Earlier it was 2,000, then 4,000, then 8,000, then 16,000, like that. Yeah, it's okay. Hemja Drawing, it's okay. If you belong to Avengers batch, you can see it from YT. Now see chain termination. What can happen over here? First thing that can happen, that chlorine free radical can combine with chlorine free radical and they can form Cl2. This is the first thing. Second thing, what can happen? This chlorine free radical can combine with ethyl free radical to form the main product. It can also happen, see kids, CH2Cl CH3. Now, third point. In third point, two things can take place. Thing number capital A, or I can write X, that CH3, CH2 can combine with CH2, CH3 to form butane. But this is minor product. See kids, wherever the sunlight is falling, I've told you, I've shown you in the starting only, whenever too much sunlight is coming or thermally the reaction is going to take place, the breaking of bond will take place, not the making of this bond, because this higher molecule will break down into lower. So this is negligible, but two times it has been asked in the AIMS examination. It is going to get formed in negligible amount, but yes, this is a side product once and two times already it has been asked kids in the AIMS examination. Now see, Y point, this free radical, its hydrogen is present over here, disproportionation can take place. Now see, what is disproportionation? This compound is losing its hydrogen, and this hydrogen along with the electron is moving to another molecule of free radical. See, this is losing electron, that is gaining. This is losing, such a loser, and that is gainer. Who is loser, who is being gainer? Carbon is loser and carbon only is gainer. So when the same atom is going to lose as well as it's going to accept, same atom is loser, same atom is gainer, such type of redox reaction is known as disproportionation reaction. Carbon is losing, carbon is gaining. So after losing, how it will look like? See kids, it will look like this. This electron and this electron, what can happen between two electrons? Already one electron was there, one more free, they will form a bond, and this is one more product which is minor ethylene, which is used for artificial ripening of fruits, and this will become ethane. This will become ethane, and this reaction is known as disproportionation reaction. Redox reaction, disproportionation reaction. All disproportionation reactions are redox reactions, but all redox need not to be disproportionation. Kids, I hope that everyone is able to understand. Kids, let me have a glass of water. But first of all, do let me know, then I'm going to tell you those questions which are rank deciding. After this, I'm going to deal with rank deciding questions, kids. First of all, yeah, this is also in traces, negligible. This will also be negligible. Negligible. In place of negligible, they can write traces, in traces, in traces. Either negligible or they can write in traces. Kids, are you enjoying it? Everyone, do let me know. Are you enjoying the lecture? Lecture of free radical substitution reaction. Everyone is enjoying it. Do let me know, everyone. Kids, this is the only channel which is not thinking about views. This is the only platform which is not thinking about publicity. This is the only channel which is thinking about your growth, because we know that once your growth is going to take place, that is our growth. My growth is directly proportional to yours growth. We all faculties growth, our channel's growth is in real meaning is directly proportional to you kids growth. When you are going to get the best rank, then you will say that from which channel, which platform you have studied and you got this rank. That is the true publicity. Not to say publicity, that should be the best aroma. I would like to say aroma, flavor, that everyone will feel better than earlier. Yeah, I'm going to ask Jyoti. Brilliant question I'm going to ask on this topic. See, everyone will get failed. Don't worry, Dashari Ramakant, don't worry. I will help you. But I'm going to give you one question. First, two questions I will give you easy, and then third question will be tougher. Everyone will get failed. Are you ready? Total three questions based on this I am going to give you. First two questions will be easy, but third question definitely it will be anaconda question that everyone is going to get failed. So everyone ready? Is everyone ready, kids? Now see, let me show you. First question, easy question. Find out the product. CH3. This question has been asked 4 years back. 4 years back. No, not 4 years back. In 2016. Twice the paper was taken place in that year, 2016. Same question. What should be the major product? This was the question. Major product. So see, kids, first of all, try to form the free radical. Which free radical is going to be stable? This free radical is resonance stabilized. Agreed? Everyone agreed? Stabilized by resonance. This is known as allyl free radical. Allyl free radical. Stabilized by resonance. So chlorine will attack on this, and this is your answer. Allyl chloride. Allyl chloride. Everyone able to understand, kids? Now, yes, Shiv Kumar, thank you, thanks a lot. Jyoti, thank you. Now see, kids, second question. Have you seen this question? Find out the product, and number of options must be given over there, and you have to find out this answer. I hope that everyone is able to understand. Okay, now question number two. Question number two. See, it's really a good question. Question number two is brilliant question. This question has been asked number of times. This is being toluene. You know very well, toluene. If you don't know, then you have to know. This is being toluene. This toluene is reacting with Cl2H nu. It has given A. Once again, this chlorine was allowed to react with Cl2H nu. It has given B. Once again, this was allowed to react with Cl2H nu. It has given C. So, what is C? Everyone is supposed to find out what is being C. A, B, C. And their names are really very, very important. They hold a hell lot of weightage. These names are really awesome names, really very, very important names. No, it's not Markovnikov's rule. It's not Markovnikov. Markovnikov is for alkenes. Here, no Markovnikov's rule. Now see, kids, you know very well This will form benzyl free radical, and benzyl free radical is resonance stabilized. It will do resonance. So this is known as benzyl free radical, kids. Benzyl free radical, and this is stabilized by resonance. So here the chlorine will attack, and your first product will be benzyl chloride. Its name is benzyl chloride. Everyone, you have to understand this is being benzyl chloride. What's the name? Name is being benzyl. Let me write down once again. See everyone, what's the name? Benzyl chloride, because names are really very important. Everyone say benzyl chloride. Wherever you are seated, everyone say benzyl chloride. Now, once again, the chlorination, this is FRSR only, free radical substitution reaction. Once again, benzyl chloride, its name is being benzyl chloride. Benzyl, it's not necessary that examiner is going to write benzyl dichloride. No, benzyl means divalent. Benzyl means dichloride. Benzyl chloride, everyone. Benzyl chloride. Now kids, benzo trichloride. This is benzo, benzo. I've given you a trick. This is benzo trichloride, benzo trichloride. So everyone say benzyl, benzo. So now question number 3. I've told you I will give you one question that is tough question, but you are unable to do this question, kids. You people are unable to do this question. So one more question, I will give you simple question so that you can do it. Kids, I've told you that I will give you question number 3 to be the tough. So I will give you 4th question to be the tough. 3rd question easy. Are you ready? Easy question 3rd. If you are able to do this, then I will give you tough question. Toluene, once again toluene, Cl2H nu, A, Cl2H nu, B, KOH aqueous in excess, C, heat, D, hydrogen N2H4, KOH, ethylene glycol, E. What is E? Everyone, what is E? This is the easy question. Everyone, do let me know, kids. I'm waiting for your answer. Yeah, Anish, you know about J channel. I've given over there 2 basics and tricks. Yeah, very good, Anish. Really. Desari Ramakant is writing benzene. Let me see what others are getting answer. Let me check it out. Kids, others, what answer they are going to get. Anish, you are really hardworking. You have seen the trick, 2 tricks, 15 minutes video, 12 or 15 minutes video, 2 videos I have given over there. They are really fantastic. They hold a lot of weightage. Now see, kids. Free radical substitution reaction has taken place. Free radical substitution. You got benzyl chloride once. Now benzyl chloride, Now once again free radical substitution reaction has taken place. You got benzyl chloride. Now kids, everyone try to understand. This is KOH aqueous. NSR, nucleophilic substitution reaction will take place, and how nucleophilic substitution reaction is going to take place. See kids, focus over here. This is CH, one Cl, another Cl, and that is going to react with KOH, K positive, OH negative. Just try to understand, this is having negative and this is having negative, and KOH, K positive, OH negative. Just try to understand kids, what do you think, what is going to happen over here? Definitely the Cl negative will form a bond with K plus and they will eliminate out. Are you able to understand what you are going to get? You will get compound like this. At CH there are two OH, and we have to understand on one carbon two OH are never stable. 99% cases it has been seen. 99% cases it have been seen that water eliminates out. I will let you know 1% cases are there where at same carbon two hydroxyl groups are means stable. Chloral hydrate like that, but later on I will let you know in nucleophilic addition reaction. But right now just remember 99% cases water will eliminate out. What we have to do, we have to eliminate out water. Water will eliminate out like this: carbon delta positive, oxygen delta negative. So water has been removed and you got benzaldehyde. D is benzaldehyde, and this benzaldehyde will show Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner, I've told you Wolff-Kishner reduction. During ESR, I've told you this thing, Wolff-Kishner reduction. So we have started from toluene and we have reached to toluene. See kids, one kid in the starting only said Ramakant, I said benzene. By chance that student has forgotten that it's CH3 is over there, and what he or she has done, she has removed. So little bit, one small mistake was done by that candidate. Otherwise your answer must be right. By chance you missed it. Now kids, now I'm going to deal with fourth question. How many of you want to attempt it? Let me tell you in the starting only, everyone is going to get failed. If you know your friends, those who are brilliant, call them. It is a simple question, but you will get failed. Whatever I taught you today only, that is applicable, but you won't be able to apply it. See the scene. Whatever I taught you in these 90 minutes, I will ask from there only. Then also you will get failed. So it's a challenge. Call your friends, everyone. At least 2-3 friends you call. And let's see, everyone will get failed. An easy question. In the easiest question you are going to get failed. Everyone call your friends. This is a challenging question. Easy but a challenging question. Question number 4. Rank deciding question. Easy but everyone will get failed. Everyone is going to get failed. How many of you are going to accept this challenge? How many of you are going to accept this challenge? Hey kids, show me the thumbs up if you are ready. If you are ready to accept this channel, challenge on this channel, how many of you are ready? You are going to get failed in the starting only, I'm telling you. The question is, on which carbon chlorine will be bonded. Now reactant is CH3, CH3 double bond CH, CH3 plus Cl2 H nu. This carbon is X, Y, Z, M. So options, I'm giving you options also. Option A, X. Option B, X and M. Option C, X, Y, Z, M. Option D, only M. So see kids, this is the question and it's a challenge. Everyone is going to get failed in this. Let's see. Those who are not ready to come, you can SMS them. You can send them. Just do the SMS. Let's see. Is there anyone who is going to get the correct answer? It's a challenge. Anis is going for B. Priyanka is going for C. Ramakant is going for C. Kids, what's going on? Jyoti is also going for C. Barthan is going for A. Shiv Kumar is going for C. Priyanka C. Dasari Ramakant is going for C. Kids, let me tell you one thing, that you are my students. If you had not been my students, then you must got failed. You can give this question to anyone, definitely that student is going to get failed, but you got passed. Kids, you got passed. Number of majority of students got the correct answer, this one. Let me tell you, everyone will go for B. Let me tell you kids, everyone, the whole world will go for B. But this is the answer. Now see kids, let me prove it why this is the answer. See, why this is the answer, let me tell you kids. See to it. CH3. Okay kids, first of all, do let me know if I have not focused on, that everyone is going to get failed. Kids, you must have gone for which option? If I have not pointed out that everyone is going to get failed, you must have gone for which option? First of all, do let me know kids. I want to see, if I haven't told you that you are going to get failed, for which option everyone must have gone? B. Definitely everyone must have gone for B. Now see kids, CH3C, CH3, CH, CH3. So see, this is allylic, this is allylic. Allylic are weakest bond. Allylic, I've told you, allylic hydrogen that is also allylic hydrogen, so both will break easily. Now they will form free radicals like this. This will form free radical like this, CH2 CH3 double bond CH3, and this side CH3 CH3 double bond CH2. Now kids, do let me know what I have told you. Whenever the free radical is formed, think about. Do let me know whenever the free radical is formed, think about. Think about whenever the free radical. When I have seen the free radical, I thought about resonance. Whenever I talk about free radical, I have to think about resonance. So think about resonance. So this compound will do resonance and resonating structure. Its resonating structure will be CH2. It will shift over here. It will get shifted over here. So double bond C, CH3, C free radical, CH3. Now its resonating structure will be CH3, CH3. So it will shift over there. Free radical, CH double bond CH2. Now see kids, if I say XYZ, so this is X carbon, Y, Z, M. On X, chlorine will attack. X, Y, Z, M. On Z, it will attack. Now, X, Y, Z, M. On the M, it has attacked. X, Y, Z, M. Everywhere the attack has taken place, all free radical, and this is the most stable free radical. This will be major one, most stable free radical. So this will form major product. So on attack, Y is being major. Kids, have you seen how the story moves, how the chemistry moves? There is no exceptional case in number of movies like Das Factory movie you must have seen, Quota Factory, right? They always talk what rubbish they are talking. See, chemistry is an exceptional case. We cannot understand, we cannot teach. Arey, you should increase your knowledge. Chemistry, no break. It's just in half an hour, FRSR will get completed. Let me tell you kids, just in 30 minutes. So why the break is required? After that, you can do your revision. How radical shifted, Jyoti, let me tell you, let me explain. See, if this is the radical CH2, CH3, double bond CH3. Now see, this is orbital. Just try to understand. You have to see the MOT, molecular orbital theory. Then only you will be able to understand how the free radical looks like. First of all, let me tell you how the free radical looks like. The free radical is like this: carbon, bond, bond, bond. These are the sigma bonds. Sigma bond, R, sigma bond, R, sigma bond, R. 3 sigma bond, and its hybridization is sp2, right? Trigonal planar. Now, there is one pure p radical. Pure p radical, its one lobe is going above the plane, another lobe is going below the plane, and the electron is moving, making 8. This electron always keep on moving like this. There is one electron that always moves like making 8 above the plane, below the plane, above the plane, below the plane, and this is unhybridized pure p orbital. Very good question is asked by Jyoti. Your question really holds a hell lot of weightage. Now see kids, this is free radical. Now what free radical I have given to you? What free radical I have given to you? This free radical, just see this free radical. Now on this carbon, there is pure p orbital in which electron is moving like this. Now adjacent carbon, there is one pi bond. You can see this pi bond in between this and this carbon. You can see there is one pi bond. See, this is one pi bond, and pi bond always is made up of, like, right now they are boundary surface diagram. Right now if you see atomic structure, they are boundary surface diagram, and if you extend them, they will become orbital. Now see, they will become orbital, and this orbital is just forming sidewise overlapping, and it will overlap with this also, because right now this is boundary surface diagram. It is forming bond with this also. This is a resonance. Actually this electron is moving in this whole area. I hope that kids, you are able to understand that electron is moving here up to here. This is the resonance. You can see very clearly by the molecular orbital theory. This is the resonance. This is valence bond theory, and this is molecular orbital theory. With the valence bond theory, I can show it like this, that this pi bond is shifting toward this side. It's like this. This is valence bond theory. This is molecular orbital theory. This is MOT, and that is VVT. This is valence bond theory, kids. Valence bond theory is saying like this. Molecular orbital theory, Jyoti, I think you got it, that electron is moving from in this area to that area, because electron is having particle as well as wave nature. So it is wavical in nature, and this wave is moving like this. Wavical electron is doing resonance. Jyoti, rest of all students, do let me know that how the free radical is doing resonance. Is it clear to all of you now? Yeah, up to double bond. See why up to double bond? These are hybridized. Electron can move in the pure, because this electron is present in pure p orbital, and these are also pure. And see, pi bond are not hybridized. Pi bonds have no role in the hybridization. Pi bond does not take parts. Pi bond does not take part in hybridization. They are pure p orbitals. So this is pure p. This is pure p. These are also pure p orbitals. Pure p unhybridized orbitals. So electron can move. This is known as evoke. Electrons doing resonance is evoke. They are moving for their freedom. Freedom. In the COVID time, during the COVID time, we haven't got the freedom. So this wave is in need of freedom. Got it? Now. So everyone is able to understand each and everything. Now I'm going to tell you for top 50 rank. Everyone ready? Now I'm going to teach for top 50 rank. Is everyone ready, kids? The rank deciding question for top 50 rank. For top 50 rank. Topper's choice. This is being topper's choice. Top 50 rank. That is topper's choice. If you want to become topper, then stay. Otherwise, you can leave. If you don't want to become topper, if you don't want to get best rank, if you don't want to get best college, dream college, then it's not for you. So, ready? Okay, now see. NBS. if I say, if I'm having compound like this CH3, CH double bond CH2, if I'm reacting with Br2, 450 degrees Celsius, if I'm reacting with Br2, H nu, if I'm reacting with Br2, ultraviolet rays, if I'm reacting with Br2, sunlight, and if I'm reacting with Br2, not Br2, actually it's NBS, then over here I will get CH2Br, CH double bond CH2. Here also I will get CH2Br, CH double bond CH2, but this yield will be maximum yield, best quality product I will get over here. Now question arises, why? $1,000,000 question arises, why with NBS I am going to get the best product, and what the NBS is. Actually, what does it mean? What NBS stands for? Yeah, this is for Insta-Heli. Now, NBS means what? Let me tell you. NBS means N-bromosuccinimide. NBS stands for N-bromosuccinimide. How it will look like, N-bromosuccinimide. Now, you know succinic acid. What is succinic acid? Ohm's gap, oxalic malonic succinic acid. So this is being succinic acid, CH2, COOH, CH2, COOH. See the base. I'm starting from basic, no need to cram. Succinic acid. Now what is succinamide? It must have reacted with 2 moles of ammonia and then water, and then 1 mole of ammonia must have released that 2 moles of ammonia in strong heat. If I say, then you will get a compound like this, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, NH, and C double bond O, NH. This is succinimide. But in this succinimide on N, if I place bromine, then what do you call it, kids? The compound's name will be N-bromosuccinimide. Now see, this N-bromosuccinimide, both are being electronegative, so it is highly unstable and it will move like this. This is unstable compound, so it will break into, this nitrogen will donate bromine. You can say this is one seller, just like fruit seller, book seller. This is the seller of bromine free radical. So it is selling bromine free radical, and in place of that bromine it is going to opt for hydrogen, just like ice cream seller. Ice cream seller is going to give you ice cream, and in place of that ice cream he is going to have rupees from you. So it is bromine free radical seller. NBS, you can say NBS is bromine free radical seller. No need of sunlight over here. Even without sunlight this reaction can take place. So this NBS is bromine free radical seller. So the one who can release its H free radical, it's not going to give its bromine to each and everyone. You know that ice cream seller is not going to give ice cream to each and everyone just for free. He needs money in Fishukaro. Yeah, he is in need of money in turn of that. So the one who can release their hydrogen easily, it is going to give bromine to that compound. So this hydrogen can be allylic, or this hydrogen can be benzylic, because allylic and benzylic hydrogens are very loosely bonded. So see kids, why it is being better than all. One thing is clear, then let me tell you why it is better. If you are having this compound, see, and if you react it with bromine, you know that simply this bromine is going to react in dark. I have told you this will show addition reaction, electrophilic addition reaction, and it is going to form this product. Addition, pi bond will break and you will get addition product. It has got this tendency. It has got this tendency, kids. Now, if the reaction is carried out in Br2 H nu, the major product will be allylic, because this is going to follow free radical substitution reaction, FRSR, that has followed addition reaction. This is substitution. So you will get bromine over here and CH double bond CS2. From here only I have started. If you remember, this was the point from where I have started. Now, along with this major product, it will do some addition also. In addition to that compound, it will show some addition product also. This will be minor, but it's mixture of products you have got. You have got mixture of products, not the pure product. It's not pure, it's a mixture of products. Now kids, now students, let me tell you, if you are going to use NBR, what benefit you are going to get. See, mixture of products we have got. Yeah, NBS is economical and the best. Now see, NBS, what's special about NBS? CH3, CH double bond CH2. If you're going to use NBS, see, particular thing about NBS, let me tell you. CH2, CH2, C double bond O, C double bond O, NBR. This NBS is having just one bromine. This NBS is having just one bromine, only one bromine, only one bromine, and one bromine cannot be attack on both the two carbon, and that too it cannot show ionic mechanism. See kids, this was following ionic mechanism. This was following ionic mechanism. And this was following free radical mechanism. Free radical. And to become ionic mechanism, to give ionic mechanism, one bromine will break as cation and one bromine will break as anion. So it can show ionic mechanism. But if you are going to deal with this reaction, this has to form just free radical only, and this free radical will give 100%. Free radical will generate free radical only, so 100% you will get this compound. So purity matters a lot. Pure compound kids, and that's why this is excellent way, and that's why it is famous. Got it kids? Now this was the first point which I have told you for rank deciding. Now the second point, and this is going to be the last point. Are you ready for it? Everyone, do let me know. Everyone ready for it? Is everyone ready? Then show me the thumbs up. Let me have a glass of water. Then I'm going to deal with that. Hey kids, hey all my dear students, is everyone ready? Hit the like buttons, make it 100. Right now it is 80, at least make it to 90. Then we will see for 100. Then we will go for 100 kids. If already you have smashed the like buttons, call your friends. Ask your friends, just hit the like buttons, make it 100. Your HSP Baba is going to tell you the rank deciding thing, the topic, mind-blowing topic, that is really, it is going to hold a hell lot of weightage. And everyone, see, how the excitement is there. Let me check it out. Secrets. If this question is given, CH3, 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 Cl2H nu, major product, major product. I'm giving you options. Till that time you can solve it. A option, CH2Cl, CH, CH3, CH3, and B option, CH3, CH3, Cl, CH3. What should be your answer? Do let me know. Everyone, do let me know what's your answer. Hey, I'm waiting. Oh, let me move aside, then you can answer it. Just try it out. What's your major? This is brilliant question. And whenever we want to appoint any faculty, we give this question to the faculties. Mind blowing question. Mind blowing. Mind blowing question. Yes, what's your answer? So, see, kids, I can see majority of the students are giving B as the answer. Examiner will give you 00. So 100% students, they have gone for this. So this is the correct answer. Now you will say, sir, what is this? This is going to form 1 degree free radical, and that is going to form 3 degree free radical. What happened to you, sir? Why you're doing like that? Everyone will start talking like this. They will definitely, they are going to scold me. They are going to show their hypertension on me. That's what happened to you, because everyone is going to give that answer. Now Priyanka is asking how. Kids, everyone must have started thinking, sir, how? This is not looking to be the answer. How you have given this answer? How many of you want to get the correct answer, kids? How many of you want to get the correct answer? And this is the correct answer. Now let me show you the analysis, the logic behind it. Logic, see, kids. Logic behind it. So let's start the logic. We know that fluorine is too much reactive, so no one is going to do fluorination, then chlorine, then bromine, and the iodine is very less reactive, so no one is going to do iodination. Then how fluorination is not possible, then how can you prepare fluorobenzene? That may be the question. By Schwarz reaction. Fluoroalkanes are prepared by Schwarz reaction. Fluorination is not done. Fluorination is risky, explosive. Fluorination is explosive, so we will not do. Then how to prepare fluoroalkane? By Schwarz reaction. Fluoroalkanes can be prepared by Schwarz reaction. I must have told you, by Schwarz reaction fluoroalkanes are prepared, right? Now out of chlorine and bromine, I would like to say chlorine is more reactive and bromine is less reactive, right? More reactive, less reactive. Okay. Always remember that the one who is more reactive is less selective. The one who is more reactive is less selective. Now you will say, sir, what does it mean? Less selective. And this is more selective. Let me tell you the meaning of more reactive, less selective like that. First, let me tell you the meaning of it. Suppose there is one Sita. This is Sita. Another one Geeta. Geeta. Sita and Geeta. Geeta is very hungry. For the last 2 days, she has not eaten anything. She is starving right now. Very, very hungry. From the last 2 days, she has not eaten anything. Sita have done breakfast. Have done breakfast. Already, she has done breakfast. Okay, kids. Now, do you know samosa or sandwich? You know sandwich? You know sandwich? Now, kids, sandwich is like this. The bread part, the outer part is tough part, then the soft part. This is soft part, and veggies are there in between. That outermost part is tough, then soft with veggies. Am I right? Am I making sense? Now, everyone think about yourself. Don't think about Sita and Geeta. In both the two positions, you must have gone through. You must have gone through with all these two positions. Whenever you are feeling too much hungry, whenever you are feeling too much hungry, what you do? You take sauce and you take that sandwich and you start eating. Gum, 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 gum. Oh, have cold drink, sauce, sandwich. But once, if you're not feeling hungry, then what happens? You will take the 2 pieces of bread. Oh, what is there? Tomato, coriander leaves, I don't like. Onion, oh, shh. Then what you will do? You will remove the hard portion of the outer layering of that, and you will take just soft part and you will have it. Or in case of samosa, either you will take potato and will remove that crispy part, crunchy part, or you will have that crunchy part and you will throw the potato part. Am I right or not? Am I right or not? Do let me know in the chat section. Am I right or not? If I'm right, show me yes point from your side, thumbs up or some whatever the thing, and hit the like button, kids. Smash the like button. Am I right or not? Whatever I'm telling you, is it making any sense or not? It happens with you all not. It happens with you all or not? Kids, let me know. Am I 100% right or not? Damn sure that I'm 100% right. Now, see, kids, whenever you are too much hungry, you are less selective. Whenever you feel too much hungry, you are less selective. Whenever you are less hungry, you are more selective. You will always search. If you go to the mall or some food court, you will say, oh, I don't like this. I don't like. I don't like Chinese. I don't like idli dosa. I don't like tomato rice. I would like to have biryani rice. And the one who is hungry will say, yeah, what are you doing? Just have something. I'm feeling too much. Rats are moving in my stomach. Am I right or not, kids? Am I right or not? Am I making sense or not? Kids, do let me know. So the one who is more reactive is less selective and less reactive is more selective. This point to be noted, my lord. This is really, yeah, kids. Now see, kids. Everyone see. See, kids. If I draw one chart, yes, you are right. You are right. Shashi Kumar, you are great memory, great memory. This thing I've told you when I was teaching you alkane, hydrocarbon. I taught you this thing, isn't it? We will provide, don't worry, Tamil NEET aspirant, we will provide the syllabus for this week and for coming weeks. Don't worry. But everyone, please smash the like buttons, make it 90. Till that time, I'm making this table. Everyone, smash the like buttons, not the like buttons, only one button is there. Smash it. Hit means hit the like button. Chlorination, bromination, 1 degree hydrogen removal, 2 degree hydrogen. This is one extra box. Let me remove it. Oh, no problem at all. Now just see everyone. 1 degree hydrogen, 2 degree hydrogen, 3 degree hydrogen. Kids, which hydrogen can be removed fastly with very ease? Tertiary, secondary or primary? This hydrogen can be removed very easily. This hydrogen can be removed very easily. Can be removed very easily. Yes, sir. Now, this is tough to be removed. Tough to be removed. So, this is experimental data I am going to write. Experimentally determined experimental data. So, chlorine's reactivity for 1 degree hydrogen to be get removed is 1. This is 3.8 times more and this is 5 times more. And bromine 182 times more and 1600 times more. See the selectivity. Bromine is saying I react with 3 degree hydrogen and my difference is 1600 times as compared to 1 time. Okay, Tamil NEET aspirant liked it. Thank you. No problem. No problem. Now see how to use it. Use of this data. You have to cram it. This data you have to keep in your mind. This data is experimentally determined. So data you have to keep in your brain. Data must be in mind always. In mind always. Otherwise you won't be able to do anything. Now let me prove the question's answer. Let me prove it. See, this was the question that CH3, CH, CH3 and CH3. This was your reactant, and this reactant you see in this substrate, or you can say reactant, whatever you want to say, you can say. How many 1 degree hydrogens are there? 1 degree hydrogens gets 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. 9 hydrogens. How many 3 degree hydrogens are there? 3 degree hydrogen is just 1. 1. Now see kids, whenever it is undergoing chlorination, it will form 2 types of products. One product is CH2, Cl, CH3H, CH3 plus CH3, CH3, CH3Cl. Let me say this is X product and that is Y product. At that time I have told you this is going to be the major product. Let's see why this is going to be the major product. Let's find out the percentage of this product. Percentage of X. We have to draw one line. You know that in school time how you were finding your percentage. Whatever marks paper was there, we will keep each and everything over here. In the numerator, what we have got? Multiplied by 100. Multiplied by 100. Right? Now see, in this reactant, this is 1 degree carbon, and on 1 degree carbon attack has taken place. So how many 1 degree hydrogens in the reactant? Don't see in the product, because reaction is this one. Reaction is going to take place on reactant. So on the reactant side, how many 1 degree hydrogens? 9. We will write 9 multiplied by. Everyone try to understand. Why I have written 9? 9 primary hydrogens are there. What is the reactivity for primary hydrogens? For the primary carbon, see? 1. So 9 multiplied by 1 I will write. Now the same thing I will write in the denominator, 9 into 1 plus. In this reactant, there is tertiary hydrogen, that is 1. So I will write 1, only 1, but reactivity for tertiary is how much? Reactivity for tertiary is, chlorine's reactivity for tertiary is 5 times more, 5 times more. So I will multiply with 5. How and why I have written it like this? Is it clear to each and everyone? Do let me know. How and why I have written like this? Is it clear? 3.8. Somebody is writing, no Anish, 3. No, it's not 3.8. See, 3.8 was for 2 degree hydrogen, 2 degree. But in the reactant, you see, we are having 3 degree. This is being 3 degree, not 2 degree. So clear, Anish? Is it clear? Now our work is to solve it. See, 9 into 1 into 100, that will come out 900, and 9 plus 5, 14. Just you know the table of 14. Yes, 14 fives are 14 fives are. Yes, yeah, 65, because 5 it will come 70, 75 like that, right? 14 5s are 17, and 14 6 ja. Yes, everyone say, if you don't know the table of 14, then it is going to be a problem. Just tell me 14 6 ja. 84, 84, 84. 14 6 ja 84, right? So it will come more than 60%, approximately 64%. Am I right or not, kids? Do let me know. 84, very good. You know the table of 14. That's brilliant. Now directly you will get more than 60. If you know the table of 14, then directly you can say more than 50%. More than 50%. So hence proved, this is major. This is 64%. So whatever amount is left, that is the percentage, that is 36%. This will be hence proved. Hence proved, kids. Everyone got it? Do let me know everyone got it. Now, if you got it, then should I ask one question? Kids, if you got it, should I ask one question? And promise me that you are going to give the correct answer. Then only I am going to ask question. Otherwise, I am not going to ask question. Just make a promise. And kids, hit the like button. At least make it 90. Then only I am going to ask. At least make 90. Otherwise, I am not going to ask. The likes must reach to 90. That it should be there. Make it. You can do that. Make it 90. Then I'm going to give you a question. Find out major product. Find out major product Ready? Everyone ready? It's only 86. 4 likes, 4 more likes are required. Can't you do that? See kids, I'm again and again writing structure. It's not necessary they will give you structure. What the compound is known as. Even they can give you name of it. It is isobutane. Isobutane. They can give you this name, isobutane. This is the general name, isobutane. General name. What is its IUPAC name? They can give you even IUPAC name. 1, 2, 3, 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane. Number of time it happens that kids they are asking, sir, what is the weightage of IUPAC? So kids, they can start with the IUPAC. If you don't know the reactant, you won't be able to give the product. They can give anything. This is the IUPAC, that is the general name. Whatever they want to give, they can give. General name is also known as what? Trivial name. Trivial name is also known as what? Common name. Oh, this is the IUPAC name. This is being the IUPAC name. This is general name. This is being IUPAC kids. This is general name, or you can say common name, or you can say trivial name. Now you are doing bromination. Br2 is going to attack on this in the presence of H nu. You will get this compound CH3, CH2Br, CH3 plus the second compound will be like this, CH3, Br, CH3. It's not necessary they are going to give the product. They can even give you the name of these compounds. So you should know each and everything. Now see kids, everyone, let me tell you, this is X product and that is Y product. What do you think? Which is major? Major product you are supposed to find out. Whatever the answer you are going to get, write down in the chat section. I want to see. I want to see who is going to get the correct answer, kids. How much intelligent you are, how much you are able to learn with whatever I am teaching, kids. Try to find out what's your answer. I will wait for your answer. Anis is saying X. Anis has even written the percentage. Lakshmi Narayan is going for Y. See kids, one is going for X, one is going for Y. One kid has even written the answer. Okay, Anis. Yeah. Yes, let's see. Let's see. Anish has taken by chance chlorine. So that should be the. Let me check it out. What answer you're going to get, kids? I'm waiting for your answer. I'm waiting for your answer. Everyone, I'm waiting for your answer. The Sari Ramakant is saying bye. Everyone, I'm waiting for your answer. Till now, Priyanka is saying why. Kids, congratulations for your stupendous performance. And yes, why tertiary butyl bromide, that is being the correct answer. So congratulations. Kudos. 99. Oh my God. Let me clap for Dasari Ramakant. Everyone, huge round of applause for Ramakant. Even this student has even given the correct answer with the percentage, not only the answer, percentage also. Let's see how to get the answer of that and what percentage you are going to get. See kids, how to do it. Really wonderful, really. Everyone, congratulate to Ramakant. Correct answer with correct percentage. So see, Oh, H was there. You can see in the reactant side, primary hydrogens are 9. Tertiary hydrogen is only one, only one. Now see, we're going to do the bromination. Br2 H nu. So let's find out the product of this Y1 percentage, and in this way only you will be able to understand what the selectivity means, why this is being highly selective. Selectivity, the correct meaning of selectivity. Selectivity's meaning only you are going to understand. Selectivity meaning you will be able to understand in this reaction only. See kids, this is Y, and let's find out the percentage of Y. Percentage of Y, we will draw one line multiplied by 100. So in the numerator, what we will write? So this tertiary hydrogen has gone. See, tertiary hydrogen has gone. Bromine has the attack on tertiary. So tertiary hydrogen is just 1. So 1. 1 multiplied. What was the reactivity for tertiary? Bromine's reactivity for tertiary carbon. Everyone do let me know. What was the reactivity for tertiary carbon, or to remove tertiary hydrogen by bromine? How much it was? It was 1600 times more. 1600 times more. See, everyone, see to it where I have told you this data. 1600 times. Bromination, 3-degree hydrogen, the reactivity was 1600 times more. Can you see? 1600 times more. So 1600 times more. So I have written 1600. Now in the denominator also I will write 1 into 1600 plus 9 1-degree hydrogen, but the reactivity is just 1. So 1600 divided by 1609 into 100 kids. Just see, 9 is negligible. 9 is negligible, just you can say close to 100%. If you want to apply your brain that this 1609 9 is negligible, close to 100% only, close to 100%, that is 99 point something percentage gets. So the questions were looking very simple. These are some questions which really requires brain. These are not simple questions, but let me give you one question for your homework, and that mind map. The question will be based on mind map, and it will require a little bit knowledge of class 11th chemistry, organic chemistry from hydrocarbon, that you have to search it from the NCERT. Then only you can do it. Sir, I had joined your mind map course. Give us some information about the course. Let me tell you, Akash, that's really wonderful. It is going to start from, yes, 13th of, no, not 13th, 3rd of September. It's not 13th, 3rd of September. And these classes, there will be 2 classes per week. And there you will be able to understand each and everything, the connectivity of different chapters. Really, better to say, you will get confidence, a lot of confidence, because the things I will join together. Let me show you one trailer of that. Let me show you one trailer of that. Everyone see, this is your homework question, and I am going to show you the trailer of that. In this question, whatever the question I am going to give you, in this question, 99% things I've told you, 99% concepts I have told you. We have studied. but 1%, there will come one part, one means you can say just 5%, that you have to search. From where you have to search, let me tell you. For 1%, for 1%, 99%, 1%, you have to see NCERT class 11 part 2, hydrocarbons. Okay, this much if you can do, then I am going to give you that question, homework. If you are ready to do this much you have to do yourself, then only I am going to give you question. Otherwise I am not going to give you question, kids. If everyone is ready, then tell me that yes, you will do this thing, this first you will do this, then only you will switch over to the question, then only I am going to give you question, otherwise not. And this is the way how you will be able to do the conversions. The toughest question will become easy through the mind map, and I'm going to give you one mind map based question. Everyone, do let me know and hit the like buttons. What are you doing? It's 89. At least make 90 and then 100. Before leaving the class, before completing the class, it should become 100. Yes, everyone is ready. That's really fantastic. So, if you are agreed, the question is based on mind map. Question based on mind map. Those who are going to do this question, they will feel really very confident, and others, they have to put their hard efforts, best efforts, good efforts, mind-blowing efforts. Now see, question is starting from nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene is going to react with 10 HCl, going to give A. A is going to react with NO plus to give B. This NO can also be written like this, NaNO2 HCl B. B is going to react with ethyl alcohol to give C. Ethyl alcohol is going to react with NO2 plus to give D. D is going to react with iron plus HCl to give E. E is going to react with HNO2 to give F. F is going to react with H3PO2 to give G. G is going to react with Are you able to understand? Will you be able to do it? So it's continued H3PO2 to give G. G is going to react with concentrated HNO3, concentrated H2SO4 to give H. H is going to react with iron HCl to give I. I is going to react with HONO to give J. J is going to react with HbF4 to give K, and K is reacted with heat, strong heat, to give L. L is reacting with NaOH, 623 Kelvin temperature, 300 atmospheric pressure, H plus to give M. M is reacting with zinc dust to give N. Now kids, turn off N. It's not completed. N is going to react with, see, N is going to react with, everyone ready? N is going to react with N is going to react with methyl chloride, anhydrous AlCl3. Is it visible? To give O. Is it visible to all of you? Is it visible, kids? O. And O is going to react with Cl2H nu to give P. Is it visible? First of all, do let me know. Is it visible to all of you? First of all, yeah, visible. Now, Cl2H nu. Now, this is going to react with Cl2H nu once again to give Q. And Q is once again going to react with Cl2H nu to give R. 3 times Cl2H nu, it has given R. Now it's not completed. Now this R is going to react with Cl2 plus AlCl3 anhydrous to give S. Now S is going to react with, let me take this S arrow downward side, otherwise it will be congested over there. Let me bring this arrow moving from S towards downward side. Can you see, everyone? Everyone, from this S the arrow is coming like this. Everyone, is it visible? Can you see? From S the arrow is coming like this arrow. Is it visible to all of you? Let me make it innermost. Now I think it is visible to all of you. Is it visible to all of you now? Is it visible, everyone? Is it visible to all of you, kids? Now this S is allowed to react with, let me write down, let me make it a little bit lengthier. Oh, it's gone. So this S, once again I am going to draw, this S is reacting with, yes, now it's visible. This S is being reacting with zinc, HCl, hydrogen. S is going to react with zinc, HCl, hydrogen. Everyone, can you see hydrogen to give T? It has given T. Kids, it has given T. Now, this T, are you able to see? Everyone, can you see? Can you see, everyone? This T, now this T is going to react with This T is going to react with Cl2 H nu to give U, and once again Cl2 H nu to give V, and this V is reacting with excess of KOH excess to give R, and R is on heating is giving S. Till now it is clear. Question is not completed, kids. S. It has given S. Till now, can you see? Are you able to see, kids? And S on reacting with zinc amalgam Zn Hg HCl is giving T. It has given T. It has given T. Now, kids, T is reacting with NaOH 623 Kelvin temperature H plus to give U. It is given U. Now find out what is U. If you can do it right now, I will appreciate your knowledge. You can see your NCERT class 11th. Only one thing you have to see from NCERT. Let me tell you what you have to see from NCERT. Only this thing. Only this thing you are supposed to see from NCERT. Only this thing. Class 11th, part 2. And kids, those who got first rank, third rank, if I take the names of Tanishka Yadav, Mehak Arora, I was writing like this. I was reaching to the capital Z, they were giving answer. If I talk about Sanchit Gupta, two Sanchit Guptas, their ranks and names. Kids, I was starting from capital A, moving to capital Z, then starting from small a, moving to small z, capital A, capital Z, 26 and 26. 52 step conversion I was giving them, and they were doing it on the spot. Here I have written, and there they were giving the answer. It was like that. Jyoti, now you got it. Now you got it. Why the mind map means what? If you are able to do questions like this in this way, then your confidence level will boost up. Kids, if you want to try right now, no, it's not Lucas. Lucas reagent I have not used anywhere. This is the mind map based. Mind map based. And kids, let me tell you one thing. It's really very, very important. This is mind map based question. Mind map based question. And you're supposed to find out this U. Right now, if you want to try, you can try. No, it's not benzyl alcohol, Jyoti. No. It's not benzyl alcohol. If anyone wants to try right now, you can try. You're most welcome. Otherwise, this question is for homework. How many of you want to give answer right now? It's not phenol. No, it's not phenol. It's not. You are too much close. Priyanka, you are too much close, but it's not phenol. Let me move aside and just try. Let's see who is going to get the correct answer. Who is going to get the correct answer? Let me check it out. I have moved aside. Let's see who is going to get the correct answer. Yeah, you try Lakshmi Raran. That's really fantastic. If you want to try it right now, you can take NCERT help. For this only NCERT is required. For this, take help from NCERT for this step. For this step, take help from NCERT. Take help from NCERT. I've given the source from where you will get the help. Let me check it out. The one who is going to get the correct answer, I will transfer 100 rupees in your account to have chocolate. You can have chocolate. Benzyl alcohol. No, no, benzyl alcohol. No, you are too close. Jyoti, you are too close. You are too close. Too close. Till now, no one has given the correct answer. No, sodium phenoxide. No, wrong answer. Wrong answer. I'm waiting for your answer. Those who wanna leave, they can leave. You can take the screenshot of it and you can try the whole night. You can try, and those who want to try right now, you can try. Others, they can leave. It's not for everyone. This question is not meant for everyone, kids. This question is only for few students, those who want to try. And at least hit the like buttons. Hit the like button, make it 100, and you can try the question. So what do you want? You want to try right now, or should I give it for homework? Kids, write down in the chat section. Everyone want to have for homework, or right now if you want to try? Everyone, to let me know. Now, okay, Anis is saying now. Vijay is also saying nitrobenzene, no, wrong. It's not nitrobenzene. Chlorobenzene, no. Benzyl chloride, no. Jyoti is saying one clue. Okay, Srinath already smashed the like button. Let me tell you this. Okay, see, I have got NCERT. Let me tell you, this is class 11th, part 2 NCERT. Okay, so I am giving you a hint on which page this reaction has been mentioned. Okay, one clue I am going to give you: NCERT part 2, NCERT part 2, and at the last, let me show you this reaction. This is the clue, and this is the only thing which I haven't told you. This is the only thing which I haven't told you, kids. And I will let you know later on, but yeah, where it is given, let me tell you. Hydrocarbon, and in hydrocarbon, let me come to that. And this was asked in 2016. This reaction was the toughest reaction, and maximum students, they got wrong answer for this. It has been asked already in 2016. So you must be saying, sir, it is given or not? You are searching a lot. You're searching a lot for it. Yeah, it's given. Let me see to it. It's definitely given. I know NCERT very well. Just let me search the page number where it is mentioned. Yeah, see page number 370. See, this is page number 370. Can you see 370 in my NCERT? And this reaction is at the bottom. Preparation of alkane from alkyl halide. The second point, you see this second point. Is it visible? 317. Oh my God, you got it. 379. In your NCERT, it's 379. Yeah, it's old one. So see, can you see? I don't know it's visible or not properly. Let me show you. This at the bottom, it's given on left hand side, this reaction, preparation of alkane from alkyl halide. Just try to see it. It's coming blurred or it's okay. See kids, it's given over here. Preparation of alkane from alkyl halide. It's given over here. Kids, see. Let me bring more closer. Now see. I hope this is visible, kids. See to it. Everyone see to it. Is it visible? Just to let me know. It's given. Preparation of alkane from alkyl halide in new NCERT 379 page. It's not salicylic acid. No, Jyoti, it's not salicylic acid. So page number 370, old 370, new 379. Old 370, old NCERT 370, new 379. So how many of you want it's blurred? You just check in your NCERT, preparation of alkane from alkyl halide. Let me tell you the page number 370, 379. Page number is 370 in old NCERT. Page number 379 in new NCERT. What is the topic? Let me tell you. Let me tell you the reaction only. Reaction is given second reaction, preparation of alkane from alkyl halide, and the reaction is given like this. This is the hint. You were just asking, sir, please give me one hint. So RCl plus hydrogen, zinc, HCl will form RH like this. This chlorine, in place of this chlorine, hydrogen will take place and this will get removed. This is the reaction. This reaction I was mentioning at new NCERT page number 379. If you are able to understand this reaction, you will be able to do that question. Now see kids, have you seen that chlorine will get away? Chlorine will get eliminated. In place of chlorine, hydrogen will take place. Now, should I let you know the answer? Metacresol. Kids, Anish Kumar has got the correct answer. Metacresol is the correct answer. Kids, everyone, huge round of applause to Anish. Everyone. My God, this such a lengthy question he has done right now. I have given this question as a homework, but see, one of you, everyone has tried his best effort or her best effort, but one kid has got the right answer right now. Anish Kumar, my God, such a great, see how many steps are given over there, but Anish has done it right now. Anish is saying, ran away my room to get 11th NCERT. Oh, great. Brilliant, kids. You see, one, yes, one of you only, this student has given the correct answer. See, such a lengthy question. Others must be thinking what the question is. So lengthy question, kids. This much lengthy question will not be asked in your examination. Let me tell you, this much lengthy question will not be asked in your examination, but I'm giving you really tough job, tough things just for your revision. In one question, you are getting that much of confidence, and your whole revision process is there. You just let me know that you must have gone through each and everything, the whole revision in one question. It's just like around the world in a dollar, around the world in a dollar. So around the chapters in a question. So Anis, we need treat from you. We all need treat from you, your side. Now, kids, once, yeah, definitely a day will come that each and every one of you will be able to do such type of question. Day will come. Today, only one student has done, but others' efforts have not gone just wasted. No, rest of the student, they have reached up to 90%. Rest of the student, they have gone up to 90%, even though you haven't got the correct answer, but your efforts not wasted. You are just near to it. You were just going to nail it. By chance you missed it. By chance. It's by chance only. But yes, a day will come, day after tomorrow or day after that, when you are going to get the correct answer. Kids, now at least make it 100. Right now, how many students are there? At least make it 100. Then Anis is going to give 100. And I will give 100 rupees to Anis to have chocolate. Because in the starting only I've told you, Srinath, Anis, bro, never. Oh my God, Vera level. It's Vera level. Now 94 kids. So this question has been solved. How many of you want that I can solve it? How many of you want that I should solve it right now? How many of you want? Oh, Anis, that's really beta level. Yo. Now, kids, how many of you want that I'm going to solve it right now? Okay, let me tell you. See, kids. This is nitrobenzene. It's reduction. Nitrobenzene's reduction, what do you get? Nitrobenzene's reduction, what you are going to get? Reduction. You will get aniline. Isn't it? You will get aniline. Am I right or not? Let me copy it. Then let me know on the another page. Let me copy it, so that your notes should remain. Okay, aniline. Okay, agreed. Now aniline diazotization, you will get benzene diazonium chloride, right? You will get benzene diazonium chloride. Am I right, kids? Benzene diazonium chloride you are going to get, N2Cl. Now this is redox reaction. Redox reaction is going to take place, and this reaction is given on in NCERT part 2, class 12 part 2, page number 398. Page number 398, NCERT part 2, it's already given that benzene you will get, benzene. Can you see this, how small I am writing? Is it visible? Let me check it out. Is it visible, kids? Yeah, it's visible. Now see, it's nitration, you will get nitrobenzene. D is nitrobenzene, right? D is being nitrobenzene. Then once again reduction, aniline. Then against diazotization, you will get benzene diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride. Now, once again, redox reaction, once again, disproportionation. Now, you will get, no, it's not disproportionation, it's simply redox. You will get benzene. Now, once again, nitration, you will get nitrobenzene. Now, once you got nitrobenzene, once reduction, you will get aniline. And kids, let me tell you one thing. This question is not repeated question. This question is not repeated. Right now, I framed this question. Voice is cracking. Now check. Ashwant. Now check. Voice is okay. My voice is okay, kids. Check it. Clear. Now see, let me tell you this question. Right now, I have framed it out. It's not the old question. It's not repeated question. Now see, kids. Now see. Aniline, once again, diazotization. And you will get benzene diazonium chloride, right? Now, it's Bal-Schimann reaction. Here you will get fluorobenzene, Bal-Schimann reaction, fluorobenzene, and this is benzene diazonium fluoroborate. Now this is Dawes process, you will get phenol, and phenol with zinc dust, once again you will get benzene, and now benzene, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, you will get toluene, and this reaction already I have told you, benzyl benzotrichloride. Now kids, here you have to check, this is meta directing, this is being minus M group, minus H group, meta directed. So another chlorine through electrophilic substitution reaction will come at meta position. This was the game changing point, and everyone has to focus over here. This is meta. And now see, once again, through this reaction, it will gain 3 hydrogens. So once again, here is CH3 and Cl. And now once again, 2 times chlorination. So benzyl chloride, you will get 2 times chlorination. So CH, Cl and Cl, KOH, OH and heat, 2 hydroxyl group on 1 carbon is not stable, so water will get eliminated out. CHO, Cl. Till now, S up to S, clear to all of you? Is it clear? Everything I have written, whatever you know. Now, this is Clemenson's reduction. It will become CH3. It is Clemenson's reduction, so it will become CH3. Cl, once again Dawes process, so it will be like this, OH and this CH3, so it is metacresol, because on benzene 1 OH, phenol and 1 methyl as well as OH is known as cresol. Kids, this was game changing, and this everyone is going to forget because no one is going to pay attention to the NCERT. And this point to be noted, my lord, this is the most important point. You have to keep it in your brain, otherwise you won't be able to understand. And such type of questions I will bring. You have to check yourself that how much. Now see, this is the question you can give to your friends. This is the question. You can take the screenshot of it, the pic of it, and you can give your friends in your school, wherever you want to give this question. Others will say, oh Baba, I too can't do this question. When others will say, I can't do this question, you will feel confident. Whether it is a student or teachers, you give this question, you pass to your neighborhood. Don't do in that language, but yes, you can check your confidence. Whatever the student there you are going to get, say, you can do this question. I will give you 1 chocolate, 1 toffee, and just check your knowledge. Others will say, Baba, I won't be able to do. Then see what you will feel. Oh, and that much having knowledge. This is the confidence. And once, if a confidence is up, you are full of confidence, see how your effectiveness, and that reading style, every morning you will say, I'm an important person. And once, if you think you are important, you will do each and everything like an important person. And all the obstacles in a path will disappear, and the means to its achievement will be in front of you. And this is the thing, the confidence is going to give you the power, the success, the rank. Yeah, nitronium, nitrosonium. One more question. Oh, Priyanka is very intelligent. Priyanka is very intelligent. I will clap for Priyanka. Priyanka is saying that this question was for homework. This question was for homework, but you have solved it. Anis has done it right now. So give one question for homework. Very good. I will give you. Don't worry. Priyanka is really very, very intelligent. Now see, Priyanka, definitely I like your suggestion, and I'm going to give you the question. I'm going to give you the question. See to it. See to it. Question. This question is for homework because already Anis has done that question. That question was already done by Anis, so I'm going to give you one question. See everyone. The question is, Priyanka, you let me know from where to start. Priyanka, let me know from which organic compound you want to be started. I will start from there only. Either Anis, Jyoti or Priyanka, any one of you can give me one compound. I will start from there. I will start from there. Till that time, you make it 100. Likes must reach to 100 kids. You just give me the first organic compound, phenol. Okay. So let me start with phenol. So I think everyone is ready. I'm going to start with phenol. I'm going to start with phenol. See kids, phenol. This is the starting point. This is the starting point. And phenol is reacted with zinc dust to give A. And A was treated with O3, zinc and water. O3, zinc and water. This I taught you in alkene chapter, right? You must know. Has given B. B was reacted with zinc amalgam, HCl to give C. Now C was treated with Cl2, H nu to give D, and D was treated with benzene anhydrous AlCl3 to give E, and E was allowed to react with Cl2, H nu to give F, and F was reacted with H2, Zn, HCl to give G, and G was reacted with NBS to give H. H was reacted with NBS to give I, and I was reacted with KOH aqueous in excess J. Once if you solve 2-3 questions like this, kids, let me tell you, just 2-3 questions will build your, they are going to build your confidence level. You will say, oh, again and again the same thing is getting repeated. Yeah, this is from today's and from alkene chapter, ozonolysis. J, now J is allowed to react with, it's heated, actually heated, it has given K, and now K is reacting with hydrogen NH2 KOH ethylene glycol to give L. You are supposed to find out what is L. L is your target. And kids, this is your homework. I don't want that. It may be possible. Oh, congratulations, HSP Baba. Liked, increased. They have crossed 100. Now, I think Anis will say, sir, I am going to do this question right now. Some of you must be saying that I want to do this question right now. If you're going to do it, then Priyanka will say, sir, this was for homework. What's going on, sir? Anis is saying, sir, if you want, then we can try it. How many of you are agreed that Anis is saying that Anis want to try it right now? How many of you are agreed, kids? How many of you are agreed? Then I can give permission to Anis. Otherwise, this question is for your homework. Kids, say in favor or against. Then we need one more homework question. Yeah, I'm ready for that. I'm so ready for that. You just say, would you like to give permission to Anis to solve it right now? One student is saying, Priyanka is saying homework. Priyanka, don't worry. I will make one more question. You know that HSP Baba is factory of questions. Right now, he is going to make another question. I will give you one more question. Don't worry. Don't worry. You can try, Anish. For Priyanka and all, I will give you one more question. Don't worry. You try, Anish. Ethyl benzene. Anis is saying ethyl benzene. Let me check it out whether even I don't know the answer. Even I don't know the answer. I'm going to write down the answer. Actually, I don't know the answer, but if it is going to be correct, then everyone will start saying, Anis, now you are the god of chemistry. HSP Baba is nothing. Okay, see kids. See kids. This is zinc dust. So definitely this is going to be your benzene. And on ozonolysis, benzene will give you 3 moles of glyoxyl, CH double bond O, 3 moles of glyoxyl. Zinc dust, you will get ethane, CH3. Everyone say yes or no. Ethane chlorination, ethyl chloride, CH3, CH2Cl. Now Friedel-Crafts alkylation, ethyl benzene, you will get ethyl benzene. Now ethyl benzene on chlorination, 2 times chlorination only 1 times. 1 times chlorination has taken place. So benzyl position will be occupied by chlorine, CH3. Once again, this chlorine will get removed. This is given in class 11. Part 2, I have told you page number. This was given on page number 290. 2, which page it was given? It was mentioned on page number, you see, I've told you page number, where? Page number, this one. In NCERT, page number 379, 379. This reaction was given on page number 379. So page number 379, new NCERT 379. Now, this is ethyl benzene, CH2CH3, once NBS, second times NBS, so 2 chlorines you will get over here, twice of benzylic, all the hydrogens have been removed by bromine, CH3, now KOH, and heat, 2 OH on 1 carbon is not stable, so if you heat, what will eliminate out, and what has eliminated, you got ketone. So this is like this. Let me take another pen. So let me take this pen. So you got acetophenone. This is acetophenone, C double bond O, CH3, and Wolff-Kishner reduction has taken place. Wolff-Kishner reduction has taken place. So this is ethyl benzene. Oh my God, kids, your HSP Baba took this much of time. Your HSP Baba has taken more time. Anis has solved it. Anis has solved it in less time, less than me, kids. He has taken even less time. This is the confidence. See, kids, you can do it. You are rocking. Everyone can do this. That this Anis kid has proved that this is the power of mind map. This is the power of teaching. And kids, let me make one statement clearly and categorically. I'm telling you that this boy definitely is going to rock. Now, kids, I have to give one more question, that is as homework. Otherwise, Priyanka is going to start beating me. Priyanka will say, no, Anish, it's your hard work. It's your, I'm really happy. How much glad am I feeling? I can't tell you, kids. I'm feeling accomplished with your stupendous performance, this marvelous, mind-blowing and precious efforts. Kids, really your HSP Baba is. Kids, now I'm going to give one question, otherwise Priyanka is going to come out from this camera and she is going to beat me. See, kids, one question. Again and again I'm giving you question and you are proving it right now. You are doing it right now, kids. So ultimately one question, that is your homework question. That is going to be a homework question. Now finally I am writing, otherwise Anis will do all the questions, homework question. Now kids, let me tell you one most important thing. Should I tell you one most important thing first of all? Let me know. Should I tell you one very important thing? Before giving questions, should I tell you one thing? Kids, if I had been there in your place and one student like Anis was giving questions, answers like this in this way, I must be feeling two type of things. Kids, let me tell you. I don't know out of these two things which one I will be, I must be, or I, what to say. See, if something hurts you, and definitely I must be on this side only. See, two options I am going to give you, two cases I am going to give you. If something hurts you, then two possibilities are there. Either you will get ruined, better to say not ruined, wounded. Either you will feel wounded or you will become wise. More and more and again this thing is happening. More and more wiser you will become. But unfortunately, most of the people become wounded. So, my dear kids, don't get wounded, try to become wise, because another dates you see, not only Anis, at least 5 students will be giving answers. Let me tell you, this is my experience. This is my experience, kids. Let me tell you, another day when it is going to come and I'm going to give you such type of questions, not only one student will be there, at least 5 students will be there and they are giving answer. Your Anis, your competition is going to become tougher. Let me tell you frankly, it happens always. This is my 23 plus years of teaching experience. I know very well that in the starting there is 1 or 2 students, but as the day are going, no one is going to lose this opportunity and no one is going to stay back. Everyone will put their efforts, but because one student can do this, even I can do this. That is the positive approach. See, in the next class, next session, at least 5 students will be giving answer. I'm telling you, kids, I'm telling you. And after that 1 week, 90% students will be giving the answer. So, everyone ready? I'm going to give you question for homework. See, kids, I'm going to give you. Now, Priyanka will say from which organic compound should I start? Either Priyanka or Anish, who is going to give me the first reactant from where I should start? Just give me. Just give me the first compound as the reactant, as the substrate, benzene. Priyanka has given benzene. So I am going to start with benzene. So here is benzene. And benzene is reacted with CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl, AlCl3 anhydrous to give A. A was reacted with NBS to give B. B was reacted with not NBS. Let me take Cl2H new. No Cl2. Let me take Cl2 350 degrees Celsius. Let me make it tough, little bit tough, to give B. Now, B was reacted with zinc Hg, not Hg, zinc HCl, zinc HCl H2, zinc HCl H2 to give C. Now, this C was reacted with O2 excess, O2 excess, D, and D was reacted with H3O plus. It can be written like this, or it can be given like H2O as plus, either this way or that way. It has given E plus side product, side product. Now this E was treated with zinc dust to give F, and F was treated with nitronium ion, nitronium ion to give G, and G was allowed to react with tin HCl to give H, and H was allowed to react with nitrosonium ion to give I, and I was allowed to react with Cu2 Cl2 HCl to give J, and J was allowed to react with NaOH 623 Kelvin, 300 atmospheric pressure, H plus to give K. Now this K you have to find out. This is your question for your homework. Okay. Homework question based on mind map. Kids, agreed, this will decide. Sir, I am 12th and I need your opinion on buying Unacademy module and will be enough for kids. That I will let you know in the comment section. Right now, Balahari Sankar, welcome kids. Now, Priyanka, are you happy? Are you happy? This question is for homework, and Srinath, I will give you answer in the comment section, okay? Because everyone, whatever you feel, you can write down in the comment section. We are here, our team is there, and the whole management is there, the whole Unacademy is there to support you kids. Let me tell you kids, we always read your all comments, not a single time, twice. Teachers, the team, so everyone, you can write without any hesitation whatever you want to write in the comment section. We will give the reply. Even I am there, your HSP Baba is there to give you a reply. Each and everyone will get. Yeah, I will comment. I will give you written comment in the comment section. That's your HSP Baba's what to say, mark my words, promise, whatever you want to say. And one boy has proved, today one boy has proved that chemistry pidikya, if you think that chemistry pidikya Radu customer, then I would like to say Allah it's Romba Sulbham. That has been proved by Anish today. That most of the student, otherwise they must be thinking like chemistry pidikya Radu customer. No, it's simple. It's not tough. Chemistry partner, it's not tough to study chemistry. It's not tough. It's really easy, kids. Jyoti is saying it's phenylamine. Oh my God. Should I tell you the answer? Even Jyoti is saying it's phenylamine. Should I tell you? Should I let you know the answer, kids? Right now. Now Priyanka is going to beat me now, kids. If I am going to tell you the answer right now, Priyanka really is going to start beating. Priyanka will come out of this camera and Priyanka is saying, sir, this is the third time. This was homework question. Jyoti is again and again asking, oh my kids, let me tell you the answer. Then I have to frame out one more question. What should I do? What your HSP Baba should do, kids? Let me tell you. This is cumene. This is being cumene. Now let me make it fast. This is cumene. Friedel Craft alkylation. This is going to be cumene, and the cumene, this is the last one, chlorination. One chlorine will come away and that will go. Once again you will get cumene. Once again you will get cumene, and cumene, you know that oxygen, and this is phenol. Worldwide production of phenol is done by this process. So this is phenol. Zinc dust. This is benzene. This is being benzene, and its nitration is taking place. So this is going to be nitrobenzene. This is going to be nitrobenzene, and then reduction. This is being aniline, and this is going to be aniline, and then diazotization nitrosonium ion. So this is being benzene disonium chloride. benzene diazonium chloride. This is going to be send me a reaction, send me a reaction, send me a. So this is chlorobenzene, Dawes process. This is going to be Dawes process. This is phenol, phenol. This is being phenol, kids. Phenol is the correct answer. Phenol. Now, phenol is the correct answer, kids. Now I am going to give you one more question. This is going to be full and final. After this, right now I don't want answer. Otherwise, yeah, Priyanka is going to be, yeah, now Priyanka last time. Sorry, Priyanka. Now, Priyanka, give me the reactant and or Jyoti. Priyanka, Jyoti or Anish, you give me the reactant. I will frame out the question. This is going to be the last question for today, kids. Kids, this is going to be the last question. And yeah, Priyanka, Jyoti, Anish, or anyone else, you can give me the first reactant. So let me make question on that. Any one of you, everyone is welcome. You can give me the reactant. This is going to be the homework question. Everyone, nitrobenzene. Priyanka has given nitrobenzene. That's fantastic. See, Priyanka has become wiser. Priyanka has not become wounded, right? This is the right approach. This is the best approach. So the homework, now see, nitrobenzene. We have to start with nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene. Now see, one, oh my God. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me frame out this question that nitrobenzene concentrated HNO3 concentrated H2SO4 has given A has reacted with NaNO2 HCl 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. It's given B. Now B has reacted with copper powder HCl. It has given C. Now it has reacted with boiling water. It has given D. Then zinc, it has given E. Then NO2 plus, it has given F. Then NO plus, it has given G. No. Iron HCl, it has given G. Then NO plus, it has given H. Then H. Then HbF4, it has given I. Then CuNaNO2 heat, it has given J. Now J is reacting with tin HCl, it has given K. K was reacted with HNO2 to give L. L was reacted with KCN or CuCN KCN M. Now M was allowed to react with SnCl2 HCl H3O plus Now you're supposed to find out N. This is your homework question, kids. N. Kids, today you are not getting bored. Everyone is interested. What happened to you? Today I am telling you just go, 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 go and sleep, take a sleep. But you are not ready to go. Yeah, not in Telegram. You have to comment over here only, not right now. Not right now. This is the last. Anish, Jyoti, no one. Don't tell me the answer right now, kids. Don't tell me the answer. But once the video is, oh geez, Jyoti, Jyoti, don't tell N, please. Otherwise, I'm scared of Priyanka will come to everyone's house and start beating you. Kids, right now, kids, no one is going to tell the answer right now. Kids, no one, no one, no one. We will meet in, yeah, your answer you have to put in the comment section and I'm going to reply everyone's answer. This is gentleman promise. I'm there going to reply everyone's answer. Just make a promise that everyone is going to write down the answer in the comment section. Now, kids, you see, this is your question, mind map question, mind map question, mind map question, mind map. Write down, let me make it bold. Mind map question, mind map question. Kids, and one thing also you are supposed to write, kids, how much you have enjoyed. I really would like to hear from you in the comment section. But kids, once the video is over, kids, once the video is over, no one is going to write down in the comment section that how much efforts I made and how much confidence you have gained. How much efforts made by your HSP Baba Magical Chemistry Group on your Unacademy NEET English platform, and how much confidence you have gained. No one is writing, kids. That's not good. Kids, just right now make a promise that you are going to write. Whomsoever is present right now, just make a promise you are going to write over there the answer as well as how much confidence you have gained and how much efforts I have made. Promise. Anish has said it. Anish is saying that yes, promise. Anish has written. Priyanka, Jyoti, Shiv Kumar. Yeah, Shiv Kumar, likes to rocking today. Not only that likes are rocking, no one is going to go back. Everyone is awake. I don't know what happened. Everyone is awake till now. No one is ready to go back. Yes, we can. Yeah, this thing you have to write in the comment section. I will reply over there. Everyone has to write over there in the comment section. Bye to all of you. Good night. We'll meet you in next session from the bottom of my, and better to say from the internal core of my heart. I pray to God that you should get the best strength, happiness, prosperity. Bye to all of you, kids. Love you. Your Baba HSP. Your Baba HSP. Bye, kids. Bye.